Is that the old track record of Baumia? Track record in China, many of the DC by you. What record in because Baumia, a Kufado, and a Kufado cafe, and just how didn't say the management of the economy. And you see it. It is a successful track record, Abia, because you were Kennedy. Only track record is plan on them. Exchange all the other candidates. Na Ojina Brani. If you say a Juma, the being Ghana, your problem, Kayaso, Kata, unkind and project, your friend corruption and cronyism. Now, you can say, Yamame Adwasafu, how you be an only papa na woda. Or no Babaka say, you are Kennedy there. You will say that all my family and friends. You are one, and the car said, look. Maybe you'll be a man in the car disabled. Meaning, Kennedy to send me phone down to send me skin. And the Kennedy that I know, the only minister now doing for some cry, one day of Babo Asu. I get up a financial solution in so. Next year, a big car where you're married at this time. If you said your son, it's good idea. A yana in Simply said you said the Bonima, a yana exhaustion. Then the contract I'm not fine. They acquire my contract. You have 6 months, no, to yes, you work for 4 years from Kano Bridge to Benjamin Johnson. You have rolling swire from the daily to boss up to now. It's a funny way solid. That's a young from that time, no banyan attack and person need. I think that indiscipline in the system is too much. And we need somebody like Kennedy. It was there among for quite the Kennedy to talk J.D. Rawlinson. You were Kennedy would be an initial because and some did a Ghana for the discipline is too much. We need somebody who will be more disciplined and I'm also be shown a big set on the same thing. So, Kennedy is a politician or Ghana ha on one party player or sorry, a catcher almost a Ghana first. Then, Madia Muye Muye. Engineer, the track record of the plan will be a war. You can say a new one. I didn't want dance here. I will bet with your boy money. And you ask Alan to know Medinano. You were Kennedy. It was serious track record at this time. And Mamington said there are times and there are seasons. Times there no engineers here at the back. Seasons there no engineers here at the back. It is okay this time and this season. The tax say a yoga Kennedy or any a confessing this time and in the season. It is delegation or most on the side the yoga for this one.
Say Obia, I want to say Kennedy na the right person to lead, and you are saying so our track record, net track record na a business aspect, and being a successful businessman does not mean say you can lead a country.
Dunia, Ushe Eliasu na Kayaso, amount for a shift from the normal lawyers, from the normal professors, from the normal lecturers. Yeki America plan say, America focus say a good time I see the man businessman. Because businessman, yeah, they are on person of the book. Businessman at the time, or say at the time contractor. If they be value for money, I was see a hassle funny, the businessman actually about the factory over the swap. Obey all the calculations, as you say, factory about the deal calculations, apart from said the selling panel, and that's not in fast for a man. That's you see running metro mass. That is a businessman and a take on your swap. And then VIP, it was so successful because VIP is managed by private people. Then so for a buying the I am metro mass, to me, employee. Create focus sector. Private ones, so there's also now bring here, PBC, now a coffin. Yes, will be able to say, so we are getting a businessman now. Or who managing ye because for motion, the Balistine, or by Italy. He was a businessman, very successful. Look at Yoga Trump. Yoga Trump has been very, very successful. And in America for money, and I'm telling you, if we give this country to a businessman, Ghana, and the Babaye, Engineer, Yes, you have done it, and then you and about expand them. Okay, and so like Kennedy, small businessman or a big businessman. I will work on the contacts because they make an industrialization. I can't watch it. You are Kennedy say you need the industries for Ghana. At least you need business partners. Our more wild world. The Omumla many na Omumla Mumedi. Indeed, Kayaso, the trends and I said yes, also Monane and Eliasa Fenina. See, I will be able to say businessmen at back the only country or move within you to be a businessman beyond you say you are Kennedy and see who are when in his successful private practice. No, your man is not what the back is among women. And that's what they do. Here they did say you are Kennedy became a very, very successful president in the history of Ghana.
Niawaka nyinasi ye hwe Kennedy ne dwumadi a wadi ade na brabo a wabo na ye hwe leadership style ewo sahwe hasia. How do you believe Kennedy Japan's leadership and all the leadership style and policies will resonate with the people and everything of the Western North region here and other areas?
You are Kennedy. The Miss was saying, you when T said you are Kennedy in a junior for Enya and Sam. Said the Monima, you are Kennedy on ye Abia on Piazza Market. The leadership style, so principle said, look, you know, your coha, young fast winning national uncle. You are Kennedy or somebody who is very motivational or motivating. You are Kennedy, you be or Mubo and many pa. If you name me, give it say, you are Kennedy leadership style, no, and if you want to are Kennedy, who said, is somebody who is very, very unpredictable. You have to Obia, you can predict to Obia. Sometimes your success becomes a bit difficult because you begin to say, Kayaso radio, when you are for planning, you're better yesterday. The leadership style you are Canadian, my main can say, and no, na Atumia Buano, Emma, what to me, I am very successful in his political career. I make us say, Obia, what to me, attending NBC strong own. Successfully 24 years, which is 6 terms as an NPP, Yawene far successfully there. So they said, you can only leadership style, Papa Dia, and only politics, Papa Dia would more and own to me. If you are Kennedy, I never come of me. Also, yeah, can you say, I smell money, I smell money. I smell money in the sense that you are Kennedy, the general office here. Is able to tell you, say, Joshua, with the new man say, never have a boam. The cancer and the first form of Bayoso, now you for our knee into your far or your panaso. Your coya could do our mina or no more catastrophe. My capture must have the tourism and a bedwa or may. Now, maybe it's a baby. What was that for your minima? You are so for what you say with me that. You do the idea say, Popo be so near the Adena of your former. I'm gonna don't be near the position. I say, it is East Africa. And I'm gonna don't clean the cap near the green. Yes, you see, the cows were around the bar. A BECHEM Pamoma Baha, about the chef, and your hammer and it's a near this. Hotels walk on the other. Thinking you are no matter. Unyamia Canada. Is that the American? Obigna Diana. Adia, a depono, a ya, a double man. Unimadio, this in there, okay, say, the slim or the slim there, the food basket. Our did the whole Ghana. Now, I say, Tamale Airport, no also better into Cargo Airport. Look at this spot. What a ideas me. Danica purely Tamale Airport will be a cargo airport, because to fly from Tamale to Europe and to fly from Accra to Europe, Tamale is a good term in Europe. And most of these agricultural products are a bit perishable. So, any panel will need leadership one to me and a very successful businessman. And home to me a very successful politician. The leadership style is the best. Just that Ghana, a lot of people are indisciplined. In the one and here, your Suban, and yet any mom Suban,
but many are of the view say Kennedy will be a Nanoya, and to have somebody to lead a political party and subsequently lead a country now will be a Nanoya Sadia. We shouldn't entertain such a person. Or
and believe very, very well say at this time the dear Ghana Yebi, the dear NTP is fake heavy, the dear party Yakin from Yakobahano, this year will be an wash. Said the song, open no best movie. It is a class with 10 years. If you say, no woman say me, power from the pay. The Michelle baby, I'm a boasum, the boasum, no Dimika, no Ganimo cool with me. Michelle made the Massa boasum, no Dimika, no cool with me. Then I'm not boasum, no movie. And he accepted. And here Kennedy will be our best year. The home my wounds, you know. And the never Kennedy was around the Viatam. Did I make a close there? Here Kennedy will be a Basa, I know you to pioneer. He can never be a successful businessman. Won't mean if over 7,000 Ukraine Yagima. The women in there cost to come up. Who carry an offer from best year that the optimum movie and not be a theatre. And we are saying, so we don't make 2 movies. There will be justice. You will not even there. Then what I know, the Minkao, now made by Mobama, now say, the Jao say, found we did it. I don't think that is how this world should be. If you are killing when you get some, I said you are killing one so some so. Now I think that at this time we need such people to lead us to be able to papa with it. I have a now open. To be said, you're making, will be a yak back. Now, you feel you are Canadian 37%. You are Canadian full swing. Not a true do be said. There were people who to man out Mutay, or Modifian Papa, a higher man. And so you are for do 0. You are, they are, put it easy. It's all there, I'm say, no, the fine. Now, that day be said. The big you have 110. Yeah, money 10 good. The big 14. That's the 114. Yeah, money 14. The big 290. Yeah, money 0. And you think that the man should not talk. And so you give me a dinner. Daddy, you are Kennedy Becassa. Anytime we are going to work in the look our Santa, then a grassroots to look around and walk home. She said you are take you. You are take Dr. Baum's best friend and his best man. Now, you are taking to the cafe. One day, a good father was saying the same. And my name is only party executive that they want to build a neutral civil service and blah blah. No, hey, matter. And then you can qualify for your human degree. It is your opportunity for cash we are with our money. And the only time you are going to work in the flower, that is if you do, when you are your grassroots. I want a good and not fighting at that power. I feel you're women out a guy out, mom, on to a king you see it. You are Canadian, the no canon. And how the grassroots. You need to be your woman say, it's not a Nisa, the grassroots welfare. And then yet, now this one, and I say, not the kind of say, now this one, what I say, over to me at all. And he, we have a cat that they are no in the order. You are Kennedy. When you didn't pass them, the mom of Puma Nipa.
Okay. Sir Kennedy Ekuma Nipa, fine. But in taking leave of me, no, I've heard say one Casano Crampa and no Casazo. you want to become a regional chairman of the MPP Western North, is that correct? Pius, I said, so what you mean? Can I maybe say, well, the rumor and then we say, oh, Baba pray for Western North regional chairman, is that correct?
No, correct. They give you say, you will one step at a time. You see, I see a missile, you're a Kennedy Abia to the baby 31st. You really 31st now. Me bonfire nyankopon onhwe me so omama hoden se ahoden wo kwa bia isi me kwan se this around me so me form na me so ma try me pese me lead party no ewo Western North if we say me did say ma some party no in diverse ways in Western North ma boa bebre let me see you do where better myself. Enti no kwesa na saa gen no so de the gasu gina saa ani swade no me dasu gina mu na esi ade de no beto backside kaka na ya hwe ewa Kennedy de na wie but I will definitely contest in the regional elections.
Okay. Na kura bunu, how would you convince me to vote for Kennedy Akompreko a Japan?
Kayaso I'm saying you didn't come here time. MPP drew baby Obomi say Ejina crossroad aye in Kwantaman na yaya nkasa ibetumi de ye destiny ashe ye said there ebe she ya nkasa ye nsem yenti ameka fa ne say yewa adubuahin of course 1992 elections onya 1.2 million votes. Delegates no an MPP so himself anya there. And ye deal work for buyer. You work for buyer no. That was 1996 no. Or the 1.6 million votes at the time you were Dubuan in general. You work for 1996 onya 2.8 million. You can say and none say. But to make 1.6 at the cap, you were doing in the Samani could be in 2000. And or the 3.6 Nemaya or the 800,000 and a town. You were for some could be for the 900,000 of the town a year 2004 to 4.5 million. A hawk no handy Uber at the Maya you were Kupado. You were Kupado for 2008 election when 4.5 now, 1 town. 2012 for the 700,000 and a car vote no. So don't put vote no 5.2 million. 2016 for the 600,000 account for 5.8. Now the age you can say party no amma you rabaumia you say ya ono is because no I have running mate for 8 years and then vice president for 8 years, you know. And now today, 6.7 million votes in the jar. You are 2020 election, another 900,000 account. You call election year, 2024 election, you have 4.6 million. You drop 2 votes by 2.1. Not in the history of NPP. And any presidential candidate after election will drop 2 votes. The worst performance was from Anado in 2008 at 4.5 for maintain. And the delegate there would tell me, Chesene, Abraham Hamaba, amount for Sibon Abaso. Of only a powerful 2028 and your and your will be second chance, your will be second chance. Second chance, you have many part automatically. Second chance, to be your NPP, it has been based on equal performance, and then you know my catch of figures. They work for every time of the big count, they work for every time of the big count. This is the only time, and then I say about send your colleague work to be with the and you see a brandy, doing this NPP, a can party, again, Ye and ye see na require. You may have confidence that the next one say. This is the only time so I have for election. This no excellent say move far as soon as you I mean to Abelmano. The Antina Mekasa. Young NPP for and our delegate. Yeah, anyway. You sit in it. One more sit in it, and one more teach any warmer in your fitness. A young people for me, I find trouble with any more fitness. And some of one air the delegate become no Musia, I asked another country of the head. How America? Delegates to know if it's a wood delegate not representing the polling station. Polling station, the area system, we are independent. That is your one people for then. Maybe 500 or 600 for police station there. It will be some other job and a crowd. That police station for no more you eh. You put Jaya name Namun Kotra Banamayan, or Munson Visa. And I'm telling you, everybody is saying, say, NTP4, and Mamu Minute one bro, and Mamu Minute one bro. No fun you are Kennedy Black, Mamu you are Kennedy Black. Yes, if you have a drama, Emma, what's the papa not opening? The delegate there will tell me, the make catch your winnie. Yet you accept there, actually, in some, said in Namia some kind, Woonie, and Penny. Now, send a show, Safan, the same pretty far a year. Oh, the other son and senior, and you were Kennedy. The show said, Fire Kennedy. If you said, I will find you Kennedy. Some of my catch the women, I know you are. If you say your position, the JD said, the best one, my Ghana phones what to be a boy. Now you got Kennedy to me to Francano. I may say the moment I over Kennedy to Francano, MPP 2028 Kenya, I am there, am I in? In Kiewa Kayaso, Sama, Nakani, delegates no money. You be sure no more born to us, the South of Monaso, the 3 NTA in Yacha and Swada. And to say you are Kennedy Abia president on text personal, the movie and that, your Boko swap for them, Yabodo Afa, tell you they are. Bois, a Mac MPP, to me afar into my pen flash. The MPP Ginano and Yakra.
All right. Here the basi ewa hade adawase. Ose baby MPP Ginano so enye kra. Openi out is no edi enkomo Yura Pius Abeka oye campaign coordinator ema Dr. Mahmoud Baumi. Sorry. Kennedy Akompreko Japan. The campaign team Western North Mezeka
yeah cause
baby is a campaign never book on no
say when a campaign coordinator ma Yura Kennedy edin komo no waka nsem no bebre and me gire se nipa bi a wo follow nsem a na wo bisa Yura Pius na all kan nyina so no etie ne opeso wo kire and ne nsem a waka nyina no baby no can say omo de ensempe fa honorable Kennedy ho na omo to but at the end of the day no delegates na bisi wo hene delegates na BECHEM ni pa I was so deep part na going forward ye run 2028 abatu mu no enti meja ma delegates no na omo atase nsemo a obisa Pius waka ni nyina no omo fa ngun sane ni hwe na omo hwe na bebo omo say o kan na se no nyina obewie no wo se wode nkwa ene owu ayeden ama yi nkwa wanya nkwa saa no no kowie na asem no enti
nkwa ne Kennedy
yes saa no peso chire
nkae ne owu
saa no peso chire se eye bible no masem wono so akotu che na no na former finance minister so no quote bible quotations ena Pius wa be quote bible quotation wo chire mu se omo gina ne nyina no eye na emom pe de ono kan de omunye Kennedy na eniema anye den enku na ono hunu se Yura Kennedy ebedi party na nima konum die be den ebeba magana fo bi no abeto aba e de support wonom ama konum die aba na sesi omo opposition die eyi obi aya opposition die hot na anye de hot na anye de
but Mr. from where you sit
yeah
minim say enkrofo ni wodin komo pa
oh yeah
what they were so etoto forma within the Western North enclave Kennedy betumi awene
Because within the Western North Enclave, no, say only be moving Koma, much them say Kennedy, our chance. And looking at on say, oh, share 2023 or more core premise now. Painful be more, Nanko more support to Ira Baumia, and there's some painful to be brave, so as I could Kennedy achieve.
What led to that?
And they say, Sabi, you painful say, Quasian is an adream. Sana painful can be boo. Maybe some cofona and they were much more. No more could Kennedy, a chin in him, or more reason, or more or more reason tia and the almost woman in the beshabu because minim painphobia me doubt is on because could Kennedy but what down was some painful in the Kennedy say almost soon I NPP for or more ye campaign de ma Kennedy if you want my own who say when no or more but underground no or more ye Juma Eden at the manity election because see and better sir
but from the campaign air coso if your two abaniwi Nabawumia is the winner, will it be a surprise to you? And if Ken is a surprise, a winner, how would that be?
Yeah, no, dear, a best surprise.
Why?
Because you want say, Saint say, Usha be no favor.
Baumia.
Yes.
Okay.
Sana de nakoye.
Yes.
From the last time Omuko omu premise.
Yes.
And premise here Omuko.
Yes.
Sana de nakoye. And say ubisa NPP foni bima do omo kan say ya ton dada. And na omu dina so de ayede.
Adeakyea.
Aha.
Yes.
And inti I say ombe so omo say Kennedy de afi no oba into oba emfa nkonimdi enyadan emre wo no. Inti it's like Kennedy no even though ebi mo peno no ebi muso hu ne say I say omo de Baumia ko all because ya ton dada. Inti say say na tie de na say de ebi mo kania na ani ni nyina akire say asumasi na woso we na asin Dr. Baumia na say akire ye koto aba no wi na Kennedy awe na surprise and it's a surprise.
And do you see that happening?
There's no impossibility in life.
Okay.
Abrabani asatani will be one of my head didn't say intimacy. So be being see, I don't just intimacy that. And our last days are dangerous. Once and now, only Dr. Edin Komono was said John can send me to her. Now, I said, I wasn't care, they call dictionary and encyclopedia.
You are the two
fear
delegates.
Because NPP delegates, you know, I know you. Well, I now refer to Amelia John Bodo. JB. I feel no waka kunyum. NPP delegates no. Or more back say, you better trouble. Oh, how why we need you? Because then what could do, baby, I want to ban. I didn't cry to me then. And about 2 years to we want to call bit me up from the kind of 5 years or quack or trauma. Why? O could do, baby, or call to a banana, I didn't ask no, I call to a baby. Because baby, I could. Was there no doctor can be say? Obu onu mu a bia eden ya sekatwa ba eden ebekum o wa ma me 200 cedis me kodu wa me koto aba no obi so afre me wa ma me 1000 me nye den 200 dey wo dey ma me maje.
So that vote buying ne effect ni say
cause ni effect ni say bra ye biri because say nipa no won metiti sika mfa ma no wi a say sika no pension say apokran so tugum enti say magisika dia campaign na eka sa ka na wo say me piska na she baby
na mete
aha wo say metemeka enti at the end of the day baby a wo say mpuntu ko na o man no koduru no e koduru ba na say timamufo na bebe na timamufo no so je tum so mo pene sa aha sana we general election kwa kwasi it yes go na nya party akoto aba nje we no podi de wo betua pa because one tua emfa aha nje ne de we free menyi abeka ho eni kwanse nke beka ho but ye ha no sa na akoye enti se elsewhere beko America no mu a omo to aba anya sa na tene de utimi kura da ofon kura ye den eto aba na ha na enti sa ya buan kofo no na ba bia kwasi ya buo nipa no bia so no cash be pim enya de papa de but we are praying say that bia ye ko eni mo man no tumpo no sa na ma no nyina ba ye den e be free okra so beti but since ye wo mi de kwasi sa na be cool.
Okay. Chairman Benjamin Swasi Ochiao.
Oh, imagine so. Yes, much I
don't know, but I say a year friend.
Oh, okay. My friend.
Otie won can swatch it.
My friend.
Son a campaign coordinator Dr. Baumia.
Yeah, on a campaign coordinator.
honorable teten so no ka team no but
honorable no one me say bono honom area ho ba bibi
tete jedeboa
yeah
okay
but Yura Benjamin Swade on na coordinator for Western of
yes amagan so chiao
ai mura mejeno so kwasi media futu meet media
hari so otiao
Harry Mechiano. So often danger
diabolic.
Okay, thank you very much. Seriously. The American say when we say to those who belong to Dr. Bawumiano, this is the time I was almost sure Manu Kasei.
Okay.
And almost who belong to Kennedy. No, this is the time I was almost sure Manu Kasei because Nipano Kasa kura keke. Because many keke no kura for Nipano Kasa. Etimi mo bia ba mu kura buo. Ne candidate bia enkokoto abaye den amano
yeah
de obeka no e be hye bufu ade no kran enkokoto ama nipa no but asem bia be kanti na wo de ahinsam onkoto obi kura be gya kura tena fi obi kusu be kwa akoto no akoto atiawo enti sabiri no mesro mo se omo nye clean politics clean campaign na kasa bi o meka bia na enya kasa e be sele wo candidate no na delegate na wokoto aba no etimi ato abaye den ama candidate sabe ne de nyam potwa ne kasantwi dabi
Mesaka medasa na pay ne wonzo de kakra de baya na piasida enko ema Nike block factory almost super blocks for party as we dine wo de bra so ye na bagibi ye wo anwem kwantempo no so ye ben rock east guest house wonya edru na wonya blocks bu ho na de beko e de amount free abra ye njo hwe into top blocks e wo Nike block factory delivery e free 0246442742 and 0244 194177 and I pay my main car was said KIT solutions at the phones are badjaso phone be up be for nature or your iPhones or your Samsung your Infinix your Techno and all kind of phones into Momodiana brother Bejo ube hunu KIT solutions or a GPR to Ross and Mood Binasi your name Malcolm Edian Shire Ben Big Brain for K I was 0245404140 or by when you would trim into superior hair and beauty supply the ACC would trim and from mount ope styling tools a hold one year when you know be hormones or year tongue ope air relaxer yin treaty with union for air oil and from ope human hair and a synthetic wig weave bundles that ope shampoo conditioners and a home corner banging a one in Abbey our superior hair and beauty supply Freya 0242449977 0555568100 and I pay Recov Construction Wama bra na bibi afa dansie ho de say cement say tiles plumbing materials dey na efa dansie ho a wo ba yenya bi emfa ma ubehunu Recov Construction and Trading ewo tado so yesan ewo nkrabetade bi ewo penakrom anwem ye obi watakwa ene obi so ewo Kestown Junction ema remfisa na pay Recov Construction so no ye bia yapono sei no na meka wo say Queen Elizabeth supermarket zo abia wo mopono eho enema na yetumi tubi ekoton na wotumi nso ebayini maako bia yetu ekokoton no ewo GPRT station hodom na bia we also anabo ako taxi rank na ewo na hodom na yewo sara so na ye ben upper Amanfi Rural Bank no na ukọ bia eho no so enema na yini maako eton na eho no so de wa bra na beje ba ko bi ko fi na kofokodi waduane eho no no yewo upper Amanfi Rural Bank n'achi Maya de say awie na me casa de pay hotel no so Queen Elizabeth Hotel abie ne pono hohoje bia a ye gi ahoho nyina ewo ho enti for ahoho no ebra 0244878466 and 0534212702 ofra ebejiso na yempe bia pa ema nkwala enko school dia na me kamfo Benia Apenten Senior High School at the amount Benia Apenten Senior High School school was all the abofrado eko na okoje tetie na onyini opening pa ntiana pe wo tebe nkan fa abofrado eko Benia Apenten Senior High School yi ewo anyina brem ene buako kwantimpo no mu ha oduru ha wo se school no ewo honma omo bodwuma ewo hodom water Bugatti ya krado ewa ha sei Saran so na prof so ewa ha ma menka enchira wo se ensu eya ade nyina ntia na pay wo pay super anom dia eno ene density natural mineral water yewo eya 19.5 liter bottles ene yewo 500 ml sachet Jumede bia wude be here show was here eno ene density natural mineral water Food and Drugs Authority agi atom number 27 New Road Tanosumen Road ho ene yewo fra yen 0596604743 and 0208466256 Bugatti.
Bosses of the bosses.
Good morning.
Morning, boss.
How are you?
Morale.
I was wrong.
Morale. I'm for going to Sancha Morale and count. Confirm no was sort of
man higher.
Man high pa, because we're a big man. Yes, my mention and pay. Boss Yaba.
Meaning.
Na the only say no me compete as you. Na was he said boss unim say also kutaya me ko attach be 10 this no. Na me say okay. Santina de bia question ba. Na me sure want to kutaya me ba hadia. Uta phone be 10. Nye ni abon me mo.
Owiawo.
Yeah. And the boss I think next week it's a matching of boss and they say you share the community why over production my boss nyasem ketwa oh yes you share the pa so far this year pa na year yena
so
oh yes you've learned a lot oh yes
most share the pa
serious Minim baby Rafi.
Professor Dr. Dawood, good morning.
Good morning, sir. Boss, alhamdulillah.
Nice one.
I'm doing good.
I know.
Yeah, I'm doing good.
I know.
I mean, this year.
You are this year.
Huh?
You are this year.
No. I'm not this year. I said I mean this year. You see the laughing.
Oh. At the appropriate time. when your message.
Oh, the moment of
the phone. How can you get message? Hey, what a message.
Yes. At the appropriate time.
Yes, sir.
This year we have learned a lot.
Yes.
What's your department?
Oh, yes. But it will start from Monday.
I know. To start from Monday. What's your department?
Because I've seen you taking out your phone.
I'll be some question.
No.
But on the other
yeah, it will start from Monday.
It will start from Monday.
Not today.
But no matter because I'm making trouble here. But
what are you young more? But more colossa ade munya densa.
Get the papa.
Yeah.
And do it be more +1.
Yeah.
Now
but I need test that in danger.
Test the 18.
Yeah.
No matter the question.
Test the 18.
Yeah.
That intention Monday.
Yeah. But more continue.
But some more cause you fail.
More failure.
More yare na hope. More good eating that. I said down. More could be. Let us an ankasa dear.
Me see.
I be cramped more.
Omit me more passing in a
oh yes. And to me you mock.
Mock.
Akokoba. Send me friend checks.
Yeah.
Okay. Enti Okraba. Hey, friend is.
Okraba the boss. Okraba. Okraba there. Now, second man say friend poppy bi wa.
Come on, ban poppy no.
Okraba benya bi buga.
Okraba benya bi won.
Okraba obi.
Enti say akokoba e checks there. Na Kramai de poppy there. Okraba nso so this.
Okraba there. In fact, Okraba there. But Okraba ni bi.
Was it child man?
And one cat na.
It's was a name.
Was it child man? Okay.
Was a name Tinder.
Or da bi and one cat na. Okraba ni bi.
Okraba mahuni di. Okraba obi. Say come on here poppy no.
Oh and go.
Mahu say ibu a me go go ba metwa.
I want mo
David me go go.
What dai me.
Buga. Well, what is that?
Captains.
Buga.
Captains.
No, captains.
I'm saying, yeah, quack of an name. And I was unya day. Or no, cutting.
Yeah, baby cat. Cat baby.
Hey, I don't know you. Boss, yeah, it's all the matter. Cutting. And create
Prof,
boss,
then I
Onya say,
Mina cutting.
Buga.
Meet you.
Curtains.
Catching na.
Was when you're cutting.
Curtain.
Yes, spelling say.
KITT.
And a boy that cutting.
I'm on die. Anyone feel any?
That when a kitten.
Oh, yeah, the catching.
And if I come to you, so
Okay.
I'm worried. Answer the phone around. I remember.
KIT.
Yeah, KIT.
Kate.
KIT solutions.
KIT solution.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
KITTEN.
Yeah.
So you're born to say.
Catching.
Kitten.
Okay.
So KIT your kit. The kitten. Do a kitten. I'm going to say cat. I'm going to one.
Okay.
If I call the baby, I'm going to bro.
All right.
Akora how happy buta. I'm the same way to go where I know traffic.
What a papa
cotton. Me am a friend back. So tell you the permit is cotton.
It's or come and find a kitten. But a cat baby.
Or cover the kitten.
Boss the kasi beti.
Oh
yeah.
And yes, I'm more kasi mobiti. And then me and my mama feel well. Moya na mubeye nyina, but just said the pronunciation the harm.
Yeah, I know my ye.
Dear Van say nipa na ema utin.
Yeah,
nipa na ma biti one. We have no problem. No problem the capture.
What's that for?
It's that type of one on the
oh my wo biti me fast.
Me am in dado, ba say boss in dado. Now you number 7 number 7 meeting. Number 13. You am doing my way. Cut it number chat. Cutting. The curtains don't go to the one.
And the prof. Say one no. Say a crama ba at the poppy. And I'm a boy.
Then one man tell for crama how the coffee crabby.
When I say I am more.
They become on the MZN probably trying to.
Oh yeah, Crama 7
I can't be there.
And an entry bounce what they say.
Nanchiba.
Them Nanchiba. Nanchiba, mommy. David.
Nanchiba, your mommy. Nanchiba.
And Uncle Satin that I'm wire crowd.
Okay. Now I say,
Nanchiba, a cow dank.
Right, FSC, now Yanko here, good human. Yami Adma Monday best start.
Yeah.
We must share that.
Monday the each other.
Menemo yardini.
Then you sound so shiny.
Say be a Muslim. Indeed, every society I will say ebro Bugatti and Prof Ayakrado. Young
all right, boss. Yeda say ebuga. Na enwa say osha eye afkona. Yamia dom semi final matches no.
Yes.
Na it's a fun. Everything is set.
Yes.
Yamia coming Saturday. Nigeria against Egypt.
Yes.
And I tell them fourth. Yeah. Na final game and Sunday on the 8 p.m.
Yes.
And pay Senegal against the host nation.
Yes.
Morocco.
Yes.
And Edibeboni.
Nasam kitwa.
Na anwa Chelsea. Any Arsenal. Arsenal say Chelsea come yensa. Ama Chelsea etimu mienu. Na buga very new news. Ye kasi ye de si. Yon ko twe game akwa. ewo Copa del Rey
and the what's asem no
Copa del Rey Abasati any Real Madrid Buga 2 yes yedi be won so na Alvaro Abelua new coach Edima Real Madrid
Zabi Alonso kwara chairman baya
chese we de enyenyenyenyenyenyenyenyenye kwa
na unu say Abasati omu da 17
ewo sa omole gam bon division 2 17
o massa bruto ma consist 36 goals
Dabi Madrid panchi o to so this game say dia in fact
too much coach is on one high
na kawana na ko mo na ye
o so mu do mu pele gaje any Champions League mu do mu penya we say na wo si asana Madrid for be
oh wanya de enwa one try because so yeah
oh very bad
very bad
but say the come mu crash na ya also baya asa abe peace we efe
hadwin eti yenti akana
ehia pa
yenhwese de enema esi eko ene Thursday ene yemma abia yes yemma abia right abusia yenti resource na yehwe enwa kemsia etimi etodwa enso ewotesen eye enkrofo kroso na enwa Senegal enso ani omaye for Egypt ewo AFCON aye semi final apantia ye fe Sadio Mane and the only goal and to Senegal and Senegal shall come back one Egypt omaye timiante and says Senegal eko aye final Nigeria against Morocco and what a game 90 so bear and to be a extra time and so to be a piece and so be to be a on penalties and a Morocco and share and I am and just somewhere for Nigeria and so to be Shabumino and a Morocco and so Kofanan and one West Africa team and a one North Africa team and a Messian and so Fana not Tadam Fofa I am one West Africa team and a one North Africa team and so the Belgian and to Fana I Senegal against Morocco I am 3rd and 4th and so Nigeria against Egypt and a team upon Yamia Tuma where I am next games here on Sunday and a final game now and so pay to me about young Italian Serie A and when games here a team to Napoli and in Palma game now and Abia and Tommy and Tottenham Yanya Inter Milan or Michel Cameroon are you lazy and so Temiati where you came a team to and so Italian Serie A German Bundesliga Yanya Pobokwan Yafa Woodbay or Michel Cameroon and Marcel Pudding and so Temo Bako Yanya Tima Yafa Kun or more at a Kabakwan I am Bayern Munich. I come for me a Kamesa. I'll be Leipzig. I shall come and work. I am Freiburg. And to me a thing. Yenya Hofiam. Almost a couple of enum. I'm a Borussia. I am Monte Galban. And so Timo Bako. Yen Chocopa Derin. Real Betis. I shall come and work. And so Timo Bako Alaves. I shall come in. I'm a Tima. Ye Fem Vakano. And so Antimiating. Na Abasati. Masa. Na sachi mumaje chese manager on se Saudi sangufu ya chia chese tiwa utim se omwa sampapa ba Real Madrid na Madrid chese buga omo support set ebre
ombre se
papa na Madrid ekomo game against Abasati na wakorusu 3 goals to 2
Copa del Rey ndio munya ade kra round 16 no
oh da
Copa del Rey munya ade kra
hadwe
o ma is Champions League na no mbeje
Africa Champions League the Champions League is this time and
La Liga na ba ba say
yes La Liga Barca be timaje Champions League yes
Copa del Rey
Copa del Rey was free and you be na Atletico Madrid Barca enye La Liga teams no
Division 2
Division 2 second C
more than 17 position must some brutal
too much we dey ngwa say we dey hard we dey ebuga to honest we dey hard and Arsenal say Chelsea news Arsenal say Chelsea this time and news Arsenal form now team Kotama Abasati we shout 10 go to 2 now we team
now one you try bet or because
one you try bet we won't try there what team you confident try there no see Kaya more than nyade Madi na nyade kwa comment na we kwa boro omo team bi kwa bro team Abasati na Abasati KOTOKO ne hands ntimi
last go no kra na are ho kra minim de na ande lo ni ne Kita board nam ho sa na dem.
Oh, too much. Enti anu imagine mo supporters oboda mo sorry say aroho baronya san ketakra omulisi akamyensa ama omunso tebetemu mienu anu Chelsea ane tima ye fa Arsenal we ayeka World Cup semi final ane tenu todwa enti Chelsea ansu solusui ekamienu a na sa utim sene anwote na Arsenal asha kamyensa ama Chelsea ansu etimitemu ekamienu etwe ay games anwa etimito dwamete wansamron anso tamao awo twimade su ananapai ya anya saketo German Bundesliga and games bi anso etimiya todwa ye penya Augsburg omuni Union Berlin ati pepani Hellas yetsekwa nas yanko Italian Serie A Hellas Verona and Bologna and so the pay terms combo abishatima yef AC Milan na omusu Japani yentwe Copa del Kemsia and petemiya tota yempenya ayepobokwan yef Bogos FC and Bogos SF CF Bogos CF omuni Valencia etmeponi Bobokwa yef Racing Santander omuni FC Barca and so the peponi and the massa and so Japan and the crunk for so mawaso and so timation and we and games and me out to try never been so many ayakaba and so we and so care for bar maintain one some and so tamao I will command you and pay now and one Nigeria or Nigeria for Tayipa almost a coach on and I said Rafi and so to me official I guess Nigeria to know team say yes just a new Payipa but me fun to come and for say and a bunch here your friend Danny Kawaja was say and on your happy sunset and was something came up ayebobokwa yef h a real magic and so kopam konsi kemno was only happy at all I tell happy say and no complicated na such a game not just such a team and just a personality and eliminate to first such a tournament or team say again was already and they almost want to meet a super coupa na almost was some sort of was a tournament beyond important at real money and to a tehaji and to a summer openia yef as Danny Kavajan and so to draw and I'm tell some and so tamao and Germany repay ya anya san ketakran na anwa Instagram and so openia yef at Daniel Lai Instagram and so eti mutino omunso eso hwase ane ensem so timi to draw I will gamer na etimi to tomaya ye fe Nigeria against aye Morocco emitiro penia ye fe Daniel Lai answering some of the fans of Omaya ye fe Nigeria enti ama Instagram and so etimi penia ye fe etese Daniel Lai omuso etimi ni fra na otimi say Adeakyea na anu Daniel Lai anya akonya ekodi aye semi final game na before say Daniel Lai ekoro na tese Ghana yenya one rafia na say yenya rafi amenso timeji ay afco semi final game no 1972 na Europea ya Phil George Lumpty one team nya konya enti aye game and so ban anya saketo continua ay Daniel Lai and so entima as Ghana and so this afcono anyone so timi koye pa and so temona anyone and so alpha and so tebaya say bian so petimi akama and so bugan for anyone me na yente Chelsea coach no and after game what is some account to dra na coach we jet coach special be ma be fa de no na adre ha dwen say coach we special onya de coach is special kwa Chelsea on team world drum for Chelsea because coach ya yenya be ko tese ko ya drum for maya won ko share space
space man
ko share space o mi entie smart craft game o de tu jana enje.
So there's a fine balance, and hopefully the fans will see the progression in the team, but we need to win at the same time.
Okay, what do you
enti yantresa yensabe sanso tima kanena na yete esima pano ensu editudwa ensu after game
for time because I think the group are good enough to win now, but I need to put my stamp on the team as well, otherwise there's no point in me being here. So there's a fine balance, and hopefully the fans will see the progression in the team, but
enti Chelsea coach no mu coach ya Obaya one soro asa ne man koye na coach we ya kase masa babia coach we fi ba no tese echase enema enso entime koye kra emfa mari ate hadwe etie be hwe se enema enso be tibe koye next games no na tese enso tibe fa ntopa enso fra na enu na je ofo ne kasa masa Nigeria for kasa pobanya seketaka enti yenti some of the fans of Nigeria and after Kema almost 4 goals to 2 on penalties yenti no.
You are extremely poor. How can you tell me that a professional player in the name of Chukwueze missed a crucial penalty? It's better you balloon the ball away than that kind of tame effort. What happens during penalty shootouts? The game always swings from side to side. Immediately, Egypt missed their penalty. Nigeria is supposed to present their best penalty taker because that is an advantage that you need to take care of. Chukwueze just was even trenching gone. Came there and just put left leg and just gave the ball to the goal.
Yes, sir. Nigeria for the baby no so money.
Chukwueze come up here no.
Chengam den anim. Eso chen ne mpabo ehye no. Too much. I don't know the amount check. Omumbo penalty, Bashir Kobo penalty, Chingam dan anim. Eso chen ne mutu no.
My goodness.
Hey, I didn't do amount for nia.
Bero.
Final
Afina oba we Chinga.
That be any brother.
Na support meeting ni super. Enti yenti ono de na fa fi 7 ebe.
Nigeria! Chukwueze! That's not big you play. That's not big Chukwueze.
Chukwueze.
Okay, Nigeria for the drama. My we maintain we last night. Yeah, first in Nigeria, they know says yes. Omoma say Ghana for us, I'm on Chema cry. Yeah, TV no.
Yes, I mean, getting to this point, we tried. But in my preview, there was something I was shouting. I said the officiating should not affect us. And lo and behold, there is nobody that will say I'm using it as an excuse. There's nobody that will say I'm using it as an excuse because it affected us greatly. Do you know how many times we're supposed to have corner kicks? You could imagine when a referee is making a decision, and even the Moroccan players, they are confused. The Moroccan players were confused.
And some dossier from Nigeria. And Yametrasia, Yamia Tumochina, their own some latest update and submit to the match. And when Nigeria for ya day, to be honest, and one we have Chumapa, Omuche Morocco for say, Massa, on say a good politician. I am in favor of yes, we are so taking near my year.
Mali was only 10 against 11, Tunisia.
Yes. I said Nigeria now, Omuche performance, Ombo game near pa. Yes, I know, but I won't Chima, I won't Chima cranty. I didn't say 10 and 4 for no. Against Egypt, and so a big game. Yeah, and yes, more game. Cranty, now, but final game was here to me, and you can never see any. Now I was here to me, Mamma 40 commenting, Jiggy Pa, since a very necessary Tibuga.
Yes, sir.
Yentia Fisame.
Okay.
Yamia to my channel. Aye fighting and then Thursday nyadi beba the kona ya ko prepare nyame ade ma ochina na the latest update no enso what beba yenti afisem.
Okay, proper da sibia some proper we entika kabia me so me saka wa afisem de baba ye hu adwuma fa wi na afi morning show no asanso atwa na no pai nsem pida na eba na me fa kona reso na me ko limam krom kwankwa cha opana no papa ni special good morning ko fa fa edapom enso o my news na ba me cha piti na pai ma me cha e so many time na asem get my Ingra had for 14 na so me say kasama for the matimi upon your friend say Kwame Opariado na osana boy men come as fans in anti say there say hat e sia kan wo fie nkoade o mu sia kan wo Accra sponsor the move na mom o me sia kan o Legon say there we are fans I not so hard supporter man you want so mu ka Accra ni na no o me sia kan o Legon sport instead we ntie Kwame Opariado
resolution before Adeakyea from day and I said tomorrow because that is our venue. That is where we have to play. We can't be jumping around and say, yeah, more or yes, as I catch it, suppose they say, yeah, koha, So we are dealing with it, making sure that there will be a resolution as early as possible so that we can come back and read.
Yes, and to only say one of the Omusia Kawana resort papa more data, but no only as I say so penny fan is Julius Ben Emuna no where Gapuba Association Competition Director and only have so penny Najuma to the for now there or Quack new house for an MD and they was out penny and say Julius Ben Emuna bay na the lali uncle a dear manono or MD the moya also still no penny Najuma the what Julius Ben Emuna no Caribbean still the lali uncle a diama and a new MD as the house them no.
Yeah, man. We spoke there 5:30 and of it. He is still the MD, so nothing has changed. The other fan said, so Chilembi, that's the line near MD too, and now say, BP, will be bad. Why not? We will not keep it away from anybody. But as I speak to you now, Dr. Delali is still the MD for the house. Delali Uncle Adiama.
But they say there was a for Delali Uncle Adiama. No next to I am the Timon Mukasabia or Penny Julius Ben Amuneba no Caribbean. Now young Colin or Penny ever did the drama on their house from one coach. No, Chimus and Amia is a Sunday bay. Only dreams of Sebastian Kain or the Ghana Premier League. But no one watch them with say so come up here. Samia game now ever custom. I want Lagos Poster of the Columbia so I was so ultimately because house fans and I said to say no. Muncha Tim Nibium as I never share Chana Yen Sepito. Did the Columbia so Sunday dear Obetmadin Kunum Yente did the Dramani.
The lessons from our previous games, and always our previous games are a strong antidote to our coming games. We look at the challenges that we envisage in those games. We look at the lining parts of those games, and then we also consolidate our strengths. And so we will still continue to keep our identity in terms of our strengths, and then the challenges that we had in those games are what we have been working on. And also we also have to think about the strengths of our opponents, because we acknowledge that they are a very force to reckon with when it comes to the league, and so we will respect that.
Well, I was did the money now. Matter the Ganamon was out to us. They say I never quack about the fans and Mama Muda because born at the own Zebia Bonti and Uncle yes about my home upon yeah, not support the cinema master them. Canoni idea. After Tom Thomas, you had my Sunday with Namora. Now, we support it enough resource and what and so and Samson did the Dramani game.
It is so super, and I think that sometimes when I see them in hard places like this, I really want to, even on our way back at Adeakyea, we made a group that stopped the bus and they had to sing to the players. They had to, that midnight around 11 p.m. of that night, you know, it kept me reflecting and it kept me thinking about what else do we have to do to make these fans very, very happy.
Well, I was for Matt Wood, did the money that was for Martin. Can I say so? Premier Funny Self, Domo, answer the coach, answer my dream self, so what him say, or trap boys in a bonnet move for now. Wait him now. As a second half of the year, so so pleasant move and we do not just the place on second half from what you know was with we have now, but because boys the confidence in the washroom, especially second half of yet with Domo and a coach at the dream self.
It's a blessing and us. We are part of time. And Dreams FC from last season has been the best second half performance. And therefore, the half of players who played last Sunday has really boosted the confidence of the team. Even as we look forward to the next game against Kayaso. Another tall order, but we have to find a way to contain and we have to find a way to manage this game. We have to find a way.
Well, I was on the dumb one. I want to get no one to us hard fans already. Some of the moon and I get without us more happening on more part game crash Sunday about the Munyabo because all Bano or Baba just 3 points in Nadia Coyentino.
That this kind of Premier League is an open game. And we are seen going to away games and big results. Last season we did the same thing, so we are not content at all. Yes, Hearts is a very, very important team and they are in good form. But we also know which event that we can also explore that we can also pick them up. Yeah, so it's going to be very tactically astute. We might be able to adapt to one segment of the game. I need to be able to play with the ball. and also be able to play.
Well, I was a dim set for coach defense central. Don't want to be on the permanent and young communist of post education. But here, funny sound about Kofi Adams now. What do you say? What's him so a 13 member national anti-doping board. Born a year, but no said, "Do now with 4 players now. Almost 7 euro and a show with you, a bomb panier, and to your park to son Mukra no corner anymore. Now, watch him so a yin penny found on my Gudumi and some. Our league we a player. Now we second I used to know that show. Now, why 13 member a year national anti-doping board of Penny captain, and the master Napia Kayan can the captain of Blasters and Afei, Professor Francis Duod Rafe, ACP Asiedu Eric Asamwa, where we and Penny Pop is a woman now. 13 member national anti-doping board so now upon it some idea about I'm a player now we second so you should nura so yet honorable Kofi Idi Adams.
By accepting these appointments, you have chosen duty over comfort, responsibility over convenience, and principle over ease. Ghana is grateful to you. Today marks a defining moment in Ghana's sporting history. We are completing a national journey from intention to institution, from advocacy to law, and from law to action. With the passage of the Anti-Doping Act, the establishment of the National Anti-Doping Agency, and now the swearing in of its first board, Ghana has taken a firm and irreversible step forward. For decades, our athletes have carried our flag with dignity.
Well, yes, so you plan as who you are doing here because they don't have the Tony Self for a few minutes of post education upon your friends, Honorable Kofi Adams now is a form, and upon Martin Ghana chairman, Eddie Ghana National Anti-Doping Board upon your friends, what the chairman Levy so say, oh no, they say, come up here, say, Juma, sports Mr. Deman, or be now, but now what can we hear because you plan out dear bro, now see a chill so you saw a dura on here, your best son, so cry. You do upon your friends, Professor Francis Duodu.
The way we address it these days is that many weeks, months, sometimes even years, and in a few cases decades later, somebody gets suspended, and there's a little bit of a fanfare when a 42-year-old person is given the medal for winning the medal at the 400 meters 20-something years ago. It doesn't quite give the individual and the country the individual that comes from the credibility. There's also the other side where when your systems are weak, your anti-doping systems, and you end up with a lot of your athletes testing positive, as is unfortunately the case in Kenya right now, your country loses reputation. So that if a young Kenyan athlete goes out and wins a competition, the first suspicion is that, maybe he also doped. So
well, we said the Professor Francis Duodu and the chairman Edema Ghana National Anti-Doping Board was a promoter and got some of those the best see and that more channel at the same time as I'm trying to say now for the good moon said to be ASANTE Domo. What you both kind of person the money seminar at the about the meeting at the Poitiers Frederick with my friend said Bugatti.
Busia for you will be a kwaba at the BECHEM Company Limited. So at Nakua, Ghana, Wakofa, a broom on was so at the Abed Jaswa, a drone, a young one, Adeakyea, a drone in cement, vita, herba mixture, and capsule. A drone and a man a day, a guyano. Would now take a guy, a drone, and I may be come for the Amagana, Nibia, Nasa Bibia, said. Obinye bi na won so anonom let me aboa no sa everyone was so come once me cement vita herba mixture and then the capsules no e ye dua ye dma wontini mu e dua yi bi a sabi o mema sem e da fom tinkeja be ma ntimi man mu so kra be ma ntimi peja no ho o ye be ma sabi woni oba hiem na sisi anu waje mu a won so e dua yi e kanfo de amount e dua yi dua e be bua ma wontini na tinya sore gina so ebe mamu de bua pusane wo be ma ni mama be ma na tinya sore gina so yi na wotumi abo adwuma na ama o piafo obi bia sabi enya tinka so wo ba so wo be ma
we hear a blue cements vital herbal mixture and capsules and a man in the again be konakoto binom watinka ayira na tekokra konakoto bi nanom na obo sebe ebro esi edina sifa apen we ye to nchen sebi obi ho no a tichikom o how pa kese pa so ba na wo kom fichire na say women's na ma ebeya edu ebeboa cements vital herbal mixture konakoto bi binom be ma wo fichiko no bibia kama de amount afen so wote yaw o fichiko mu a edu ebeboa cements vital herbal mixture and capsule afen so obi won ma sebi wa ko jane nan no na moja di etire wo ba na tisa be bia hu moja no tieniye pa se moja no gon bright red we know that's a bright red and na say bi betima bo ma moja ni na to atwa e de ama okra apen so obi so a sebi ne to ase twetwe no we ni kan say sciatica wo sciatica e bi betima bo ama yawo ne twetwe na wo ni na etima ti akokra no e ya agan cements vital herbal mixture and capsules ebruno eye aduma wontini no na enyane no bi ebruno a ebua pa ye fen nitric oxide say nitric oxide no unya eba oni pedema enti bi emuasi enti akatare ba biem ba be huntini amenti metuna da o moderate media pusane osisi ena ya ye neurotransmitters a sunflower adren no ho ena eba eno na say victim jawa na say pains bi mu a na sa neurotransmitter no etimi ababeboa ama pain na say yaw no etimi akofom ebei ewo nyane bi mu a etimi release neurotransmitter ye fe no endorphin na sa endorphin ne ba say usisi ena yaw jaw na wote no ewo usisi mu no ebei eba be stop ni na yisu dopamine na be yi yaw ni na free work e be amount enti so sisi ya ebi o so no e ya gan cements vital herbal mixture and capsules ebi Adeakyea award yenim de kan wasem no 2022 best waist pain product of the year 2023 ebi Adeakyea award e sisi ya de ho 2024 yes hwe ni musa afie bi anyum nyina so ye be Adeakyea award no e bema na o pese nyina so no gyina so kene wabra obenu mabro sima kakra bi achi a fere number no a e screen ase no o fere number na ye be no be kasa kama ni a cho send o mesia no mabro no na ni matumi aboa ama bibia e kama ma afa so ba bia be bi ato no ye di screen so memem ti ni le pa se o kumase ene ni pattern wo store o person to be ton a be bia e di kan PFA pharmacy New Johnson wana PFA pharmacy o stock kesi a obi nya be atu honum akwakoton afi Colinac ewo Ashtown oni dani herba obi nyina wa Ashtown ko ho Fredimens eso okay onu so be na bi ato afi Sambora ewo Kabetia grade 3 no opposite pe ebon ebra eba beboa eni sawo hawo nyina afi wa kwa ma enti pe bi achi kwanto agan a etese ejan no ebito na enkotote e ma na so na wa ho den pepepe e da ma
Every buyer, the sika money who sends some debris.
Mede wo sika na mane ka funeral.
Ajibia na mumu buy, or the 2 million BECHEM unsa.
Gosia. When the name remodi sika twitwi nanti. Abra betimi dia fa mumu so.
Eno an se wodi unsa be boso keke. Sika no be ko ententemu a asebia eni.
Mensa ka invest me sika no.
Mensa ka pension sika no.
Mensa ka loan no.
Mamo tijidi a wo ma no ase. Bisanti or the ekwanpa e be boy edwumadie ho ban. Ti say South Pin reset aba. Se de be ya mamo ho ban bolo. E ko nanim kese. Mamo di 0244 300,000 per ene be frɛ. MTN anase mamo adwumayeni biara emfrɛ wo. Enkase for mamo pin anase one time password no ma. Afenso be mani sika ma obi a wonim no. Anase untimi verify di. Approve prompt bia enye wo e na wo hyase. Mamo still unsaka.
MTN.
Mira, yes my dear.
Ena dear. Kadie wom bia kyerɛ me.
Oh, na edi be pa na me sie wo.
Wo di bebe sie me da.
Oh me.
Ade minim.
Dia me dia sie wo an say makoto Dawood 360 capsules. Ya manomo ama kane sisi ana mintimi nyina me na so no. Ese metimi ya tie nyina. Nanso nei wo me say.
Wotumi gina wo na so chema mani je.
Oh, neje sa fe de ekro ye pa.
Papa bi.
Eni efri na ekro yi. Me ma Dawood 360 capsules. Empa me ho da. Ayem sisi mo adwuma. Asa ma me wife kura ni age. Na tumi se sabro so ma me. Na akoso ya wonim. Se ema eni mema nyina timi no bio. Eje apemfo abatan eni obi a onyanya mfinhye dumiensa.
Na enye Dawood fo ya na ye Dawood ointment yi.
Wo mo na ye. Se nansan ya na wo complain waposo. Usisi eni ade yi. Ebi na me de twitwi ya. Utisi ye yo. So the Dawood ointment etwitwi na wo me 360 capsules ne ka ho dia. Oh, na ye twi na memene.
We dia twi na memene.
Ai twi na memene. What be bia so free say require mu. Enu mienu enye na e wo pharmacies any chemical shops do do na mu. Wo dia free 0244886437 and 02016871717. Agwadi enkra troi FD agietum.
Kwadona seahorse product no utogu kamu wia fagalance le chame
ene say wonya tesa me de seahorse ma hiti promo no aba no me hiti bi amomo sande me mombo free a enye wo ho
hey so what enka me kwahwehwe stickers e woni tinum say seahorse engine oil anasa ne coolant apa bia hiti aka me de no
me ma obia woto seahorse products egu na fidie mu ati ase fina de kro seahorse ma hiti promo aba eti obia to seahorse products wa enfa woni size ya to ye secretary small whatever on one sticker na pharmacy no atwere number code and amount of money ewo ho frɛ number no kasika ya atwere no bo code no seahorse fo check from office na ye no ano no a breaking crime wo sandu mobile money amuru hwa koyikodi
seahorse ma hiti promo wo twa de fa enya fa so praise
sika ne free 50 Ghana ekosi 5000 Ghana cedis na achadie no mu kese pa eya bobo ya achadie ni bi so ye mobile phone iron fan fridges and na TV
na we so de enya free na wo komwa bibi atwa do bia
National Lottery Authority afuaso
na so penteche mu bia from 0540-424-386 and 0243-218-566 Seahorse Mahiti Promo eye peking crime.
Mira, wo de why you ho se bibia amfa ho sisia e na wo ma me frifia he ko na tema wo bedi me ne no ese wani se ye ka kirem enam eyafuna me nyanti na sisia de abebom kra de me se mete ho a ensufi det me gume na ke kamesa etu de mira mesda oni die mu ada mesra entena to so kra boa me wate na bai me nya bintu me na so na yade a eya gima boso no so yentu ase
odo papa bi enye se mayi mani o na se me no ka se die me ko twiko brema chichi ni nyina ene die ha no nyina atuatwa esan se madamfo bi edeme akọ clinic bi a o nyame ni mini adanse kra be kwa na kofo di kra no ebo adwene ntiase so a eye Nkenya Herbal Clinic odo ja se gonorrhea chlamydia obi ya stroke ewewe obi na hisi eye ne ya obi onya prostate cancer hepatitis A B C anasa opesa ne be makra ye kese no ana wonya hypertension ana asichire yare no anansa wonsa bi agudi bedua no odo Nkenya Herbal Clinic esasa yade we nyina obi o wani haw owo entishewa typhoid odo se yenya yefu anwube o Nkenya Herbal Clinic die emma entafo ahenasa ni nyina be piem oyo ba na wonsabuo no ayisisu yi a Nkenya Herbal Clinic ebetimi aboa pa sanso na obi a wo kidney problem bia obetimi ade aba Nkenya Herbal Clinic ombesa ne yade odo ye biduru honom no efidie ye de screen ahodo ye de hwe mogemu san fidie we nyina ebi ewo honom odo ye ye ko ye ntena ya to so ye ko sisi a
Mira eni je na be fie sei we dia mase badia ebeye demetimi agimase wani je so
Nkenya Herbal Clinic oye adwuma free ejoda kopem memreda anapa no nso kopem anwumre no onum hwehye ye wo so hwibekwai atwema ye ne Assemblies of God aso down no ene de hwanim so no wasama to foiso 0243719385 Nkenya Herbal Clinic ye betu yare no so sa
Adia yapa ne se woni namfofo ahia na yaka asem a esre na wontimi nsiri bi saa asem ya bi neto ebra na mese aye yellowish color bi a onhu nani sukura yi me di toothpaste ahodo a wobia se nya atwi mi se na mese entimi nya fita se de mepe no ko sisa madamfo bi a kire me
Active Point Dental Clinic
na bra me duru wa na me hu se me haw no to nyina atwa do hwere ba ko pentem mese na ya fita yi se metimi sere e wo ba bia mekobia obi bia nso wo medical condition bia amana nya yellow teeth brown teeth and green teeth no
Active Point Dental Clinic.
Ewu nimdia wambetimi ama osino asaye fitaa biem. Wamusan wo teeth whitening home kit and a medicated foam toothpaste, teeth whitening pen and betimi dia mo wakofi na wakoto so yusu hwehwe Active Point
Dental Clinic.
Awa danyame omobe Ultimate FM nchen ho a.
Obwase Dunkwa Junction 9 miles kwan no so. Sunyane OA bus terminal. Omni Cocoa House dinche ni mu. Search Genese GPRTU market ho. Shell filling station inside.
And afre 03223 96802 and 0554571779. Active Point
Dental Clinic.
Get a whiter teeth in just a day.
Madra one bra medem pana wouldn't trouble be apeti hasano ana afede o dane ha drastwana gon mundu ahodo sa da bia so honto media ye tembesi santoni na freedom a
ye mira Mr. Fata me why my madri say me santoni kro free hodada every say me share maje nkwa 3p garlic mixture mira enu anu me last stop
na say 3p garlic mixture da bia me kan ho asem kire na mfa otinje na say the one two for
mira me say me ni mo 3p garlic mixture no me fitire komo haw ni nyina etu chakra
P1 Natural Clinic and the 3p garlic mixture abadjas 3p garlic mixture ebo brebo ho ba ehuru mu yi ya repair film wonom 3p garlic mixture ebo ma moja diefusane wo dipaduane mu enti say stroke asthma IMT and menopause akuma yare moja no huso tawe wani su tabri wonsane ona taye titriti ana ya na twetwen wo honam taye obasabasa bodura ne 3p garlic mixture 3p garlic mixture and a make come for amount kaise 3p garlic mixture yanwa garlic munye nua ya twetwe yemfa bibia from pure garlic extract 3p garlic mixture Food and Drugs Authority ahwehwe mu agye atu 3p garlic mixture ubenya bi wo Ghana for na nyina gina say ubenya bi wo Philomena Fosia drugstore Esther Arthur drugstore Brad Charles drugstore Mr. Boja drugstore Zawura drugstore bia ubenya bi wo Wako Madam Obakia drugstore Sankore Apau drugstore for 0248928824 ana 020100 0021 3p garlic mixture and you fully organic. Your ribbiest room. I'ma look from when you call it. Sir, empanyi kasa numsio twen opa na enye nsuo bia kekeo na mom ensuo a ebema wo atumi agina opa ano Density Natural Mineral Water ne sachet any dispenser bottle ye nsuo a ya sheda aye ede ekumu nsukom Density Natural Mineral Water kebinom water anio yenum ensuo dikum yensukom nom Density Natural Mineral Water biaya yeye ensuo no wotiye pa yewo 500 milliliter sachet ena 19.5 liter dispenser bottles ma afiafie ni offices hwehwe yechi kwan wo number 27 New Ridge ewo tanoso kwantempono so hwa fre 0596604743 ana 0208466256 na kotopi ye wayefro eye ene bedwam nhyiamudie Density Natural Mineral Water insu papa ni FD aje adwadie enkrato yi atum
atena peke Rabofi, Mesa bra na ohwe. Enra wo beri pon school a wo ba mi hia no na no ne brofo. Are we hin asem ne sei.
Wo de ho, efifi mu hima bi bia abeso hu. Smart Effort College for that room.
Hey sir, Smart Effort College. Eno so the school bay.
No kra, school a omo kira de pa. Na omo je adusuafo free crèche 1 year ekopem class 4. Akadia ne niam bia omo de kira de no. School yi wo bi. Achechefo no so abin ye pa. Yo omo akoda no ho adaje a omo de kira omo de. Na omo ne so de hu ne say basic school no omo be kira akoda na de. Ama omo miti Montessori standard.
Saint Sira, enti na oba ya na no ne brofo e de sa no. Brakofi school yi de ayem akono. Minya ya nka me ben su beko bio.
Tobo omo school fees so da fom pa.
Me da den ka se pa ye me ba panyin no se wasi so hwe no wantwo. Na me ye ne den.
Wo ha no anu yi ane Smart Effort College. Omo ya wasi remedial classes.
Oh sir.
Omo sa ya vacation classes. Ema SHS students.
Matia some de bomenchire mu ye.
Na de won biem ene say, omoya wasi programs ahodo ni nyina bi. General arts, business, general science, visual arts, home science, and afa technical. And this am say, sawodo ba ekwa smart effort college ya. Akra ni A's and the B's ready is assured. E hono on fa akra ni nko e ma ni konya C's akopem F9 da.
Atia bisane asem na mpa.
Many about some that say, school or boarding, hostel, Emma was see candidates and a basic school for Nina. Almost I work a for basic school for no, every Saturday also, Jonathan Pateva say Nina.
Miss Woman, school you on much require with him.
Over school you mean in our Saturday also, so Macrum, and Cane, baby and a Grace Preparatory School no one a while. Over to me a friend, school paying for our home at 2 for so 0541. 639371 Ana 0243 112806.
Smart effort college Ana, just be smart
and we will put in our effort.
Me Junior Mengro ma bravo hope. Na wani na adia wo je oba grocer no na adia wo nyame nam dota mu a owo personality natural health care so aye ere na de bani dia say yo
Peske awo hu nsem de otenete se wo kase mu obuo ko prostate aye kese ama onya dwonso mu amanuhunu ana empaso mreyo
say yes stroke diabetes hepatitis B pressure sisi yade afichi kroma manihunu enam yade hodo ene yade bia wo
ne se wa na me di oluman eni o le di kwa check up owo mfidie pa me ye na adumatri ko ani na nse mi double no o ni sen
hey agro hene
oba o pese o hips anase o to eya akese ye ho adwuma sanso ene se stretch marks ajo we dia boso a eno nso ye yi free ho bema obema so na pese o pagyamu no bra ye be pagyamu ama obewu peske ewo Accra La Paz Nyameche Junction ye wo Crown Prince School no achiwa Kumasi G runabout Medila Bachiwope baby ani edese human rural bank woman Sawiyo so empomam ye ne Church of Pentecost ene di nhwanimu takwa Roman stores opposite Zenith Bank
Sunyan ofri Kumasi KOTOKO house Rex ye ne Total filling station no ne di nhwanimu
Frepeske ewo 055 773-8555
Peske
quality hair
no sir.
Omadeshe esen yokwampa ye fa susu yen customers nti apartment fi ura bank abaye bank ya dodo no age atumu abefu kwanya ye di mani sika ni nyina we will be wa Express Automated Clearing House, Mobile Money Transfer, Apex Link I Transfer, and a Western Union. Your branch is this way. You were electronic banking, so and yet 24/7 ATM services. Baby, any Sashiba Kwai, Sashujunasi, Asankagwa, and the Dunkon of him. This switch, bankers drafts, and the SMS alert here. And more would the Ecosu account to Mono, and also Kahu. Apartment Fura Bank, dear. Then some more. You were easy loan products, and my bank my phone now less than 3 hours. Now sa count loan about the third party and a comprehensive insurance and so bra apartment Fura Bank. There were 17 branches and more. Asankragwa, Agramemfi, Sashujunasi, Sashuyoso, Sashubekwai, Sashaquantomra, Yunkon of Diaso, Babiani, Swamada Diaso, Yukwa Himai, then Chirasubi, Wasadabo, Ajakamansu, Sashinzaura, Awasu, and a Fofokra, and Swaba Sashi Asempane, and near Mediga, then for Subum, and Sikaso, the head office, our San Kwasu, Freyan 0243 116 966, and 0244 948 600. Afi 0549 040 570. Apartment fi Rural Bank. Yeni mu fretete. Apartment fi Rural Bank. Ya shumoda.
Yesi e badia. Banki amanfo sene be ya yefom ne yekwaye begina na ewiem nsakra yenso swaso na presinti na GCFRP any Red Plus de enable jumade abrebo titru ema wona sebe wedi dem emebunu eni tu kotena fo no mekire migrant esese ye na ye de ye hu hye na ye die nua me ye boye kwaye hu banya so mfaso intimese obia nua bi eniye ya obia nua bi ye moye kwaye hu ba enu na de sika beba obia nua bi benya carbon credit mo frenya bi bebulu nya bi emenya bi na o sunye bi o no more The Enable initiative is proudly sponsored by GCFRP and Red Plus.
Esiane kaja ya seja.
Mira, se say de min sumi bi. Afei de.
Ameme.
Edan ba kwa ye behan ye. Na say. Otena say. Se say de min sumi bi. Yo be ye bia enya fiere yi fe.
Ba ye pa wo pampam no. Na din sha na ye hye wo. Na se fiere anya wo se ya. Emma wo tirim se wo besi dan. Na fiere bi tietie wa. Comfort Atta 68 Enterprise. Na se man fia ba store. Se obema onyoma. Wo de besi wo fie. Na wo so nya ba bi du tiato. Na mpanifo se. Se wo nya ba bi du tiato. Na brabo na no. Comfort Atta 68 Enterprise. Anasa man fia ba store. Ton adanse hu nyoma ni nyina bi ahyase ko se awie. It say cement, iron rod, wheelbarrow, pickers, shovel, hammer, carpenter for so yanyi mu ma. Your foreign plywood. Awu betimi dey your kitchen cabinet, wardrobe. Any what design plywood wa. Wu betimi dey your ceiling. Na fese. Na so bo POP ni ria. Plywood dey be ma wo. Ade show TV na chi. Ebi ho stickers, design biabi, leather, any material papa ye dey yankonya. Asande yampa, leather, ye dey leather pragya ankonya. Ene kan so dey glue. Ye wa 99 and a top band. Carpenter for so mutu so ni nyina bi wo ho. Ene dey mo dey adwuma. Ye say wo paint na hodo ni nyina bi. It is a home paint, DTM paint, flamingo oil paint, and a local paint. Foreign paint is so hot, so color open. Me am Mercedes man. When I spray car, so you mu paint ni biaba. You super shine, harder, clear, and then they keka home with me display. So that can you na so see with any ria. You ma want simple papa. With about dinosaur, some mosquito nets, black and blue, wire mesh, padlock, alarm with the and a high security. Na sada ufia when you comfort to quanta. Mobile Comfort Atta 68 Enterprise. And na sa man fia ba store. Ama masimi fie. Na accident can me fia. What it me? Sakanyo no ankama enchira nkori Comfort Atta 68 Enterprise. And na sa man fia ba store. E was a hudwinase. Nana Dick filling station. Wow. Fair manager Nana Pia. E was a humatrufo we so. 0541 087624. Afiwe man fia ba store nti tenant bia. Besini fie.
Nipa ye metso chine.
Hey, yale ya anokwa obi benya wo ana efiri yale enti kwadwo pa na yale atime bubu mi sei
oluma na adan na ugina ha wo kasa kasa
me dokota se me yale yi manya osa manya typhoid na ne afifiri mitokura de wose ayi koko
na unte kwa me liberty herbal center na
kwa me liberty de wo de me kwei onkobo me pane
dabi eho de ye de abibiduro herbal mani lubra ene se yare eni nti kwa wose afifiri wutui ye betu ase kra de amount e bia na wo de ye typhoid malaria koko osa na afe oba wo fichi komo enkoyie ana emma yie no nyina kwa me liberty herbal center to ase o de pronso a obeti ne te ediama
na kwa me liberty ya wo kan na cha kwan wo he
na chi kwan ya yira kwan pra se hia wo so na be hu doctor yi
na fa ne number ma me na me ya me nko ho
doctor number no enie 0249358035
kwa me liberty
obaso bako
antiti mame fufuo 20 Ghana me pe fufuo ne nkwan kwa sisi a se ne Ghana akone de ya bono 010 meme wanu ni tell sell de yenim so bia ne ne ope enu nti ne ya made for me bundle ya data ne call packages are f ne ya ma wonkwa made for me bundles send you we need ho but star 530 hash na top made for me bundles sia
Telecel, connecting energies.
F-Pack ye dropa anu enama esetipa ye flu cold edi kata ho yaw F-Pack tutu yawa efiri minimu kura abrofo friend no sore throat no F-Pack jojo honam mu yaw nso na se wo ye adwumaden so na wo tutu a F-Pack ma wo ho dwo wo fom Sara na wono a epe sports akansi ahoro ni mrikatu nso no se wo honamdua no ye wo ya F-Pack wurawura wapo mu koma yaw no eyedini F-Pack kutia free richness F-Pack jojo ahohye a ebata fever ne malaria ho no saa nso na F-Packekutia sasabro mu yaw na wo honam ayebosa no F-Pack so ma wo ho sepew ubenya F-Pack wo pharmacy shops any chemical seller shops ahodo wo man mu baabia
F-Pack yebusua duro ma wona wadi mfie dunsia ne akire asma ne osa yarefo apemfo ene ma wo ma manufo de ensese wo fa F-Pack se wo fa F-Pack nanu na wo anto wa ko hu doctor
F-Pack blows your pain away.
Je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle.
Je m'appelle.
Mappé. Et mappé. Eh, Asamo. French, you dear. This is a midi croissant.
Meet Jan. She makes sobolo in a small shop in Kaswa. She's going places with MTN Ejumapa. Now, she's learning French kakra to teach her francophone customers indigenous recipes.
Watashi no namae wa.
Watashi no na my boy.
Whoa. She's learning Japanese too? What? Kayaso to the whole Riase. If you're a woman with a small business, join MTN Ejumapa today by dialing *5060# and enjoy 150 megabytes data, a lifestyle bundle for social media, free MTN to MTN calls every Monday, and an insurance cover. You will also gain access to expert training, discounts on digital tools, and financial support to grow the business of your dreams. Terms and conditions apply. MTN.
Abuja mame ma akwa banfa wo emra dwumadi eso ena no pay ye won komo a ewosie nyina yedie na with me this morning NDC rep Apewe Clement oye aid ema MP for Sehwioso na owo menchen wa ha anapay nkomo no ono ena mene no efri ase ti MPP ni obeba no so be kan ye ho a ono susu benya akonya edi ono susu adwenche edi aba enti adapei said ya oti wo mo kasa no commander Zito ensusu aba be kan ye ho e wa ha sei enti mema ono susu akwaba enti me wo commander Zito e wa ha na me wo eye Apewe Clement ensusu e wa ha Apewe, good morning.
Kayaso, good morning.
No, this is
Nyamia dom Christ in tea that's so yet.
Nice one.
You hear you ready?
We
are managing life.
We have to all the time manage. Zito,
sir.
What is that?
Nyamia dom no so dey.
Munwa show.
That's not right.
Alesa your chef for 150 style bien. Anthony Cruz na biden. Ska buy 150.
Ska
no one Anthony Cruz na bri ska buy 151 afia
na we mafia me mafia
na elesa me wo ana
na last week you me studio
me last week
mama wa
ehun me wo la
me say last week me mama wa
na de man wo
na le ha che ba pu ande on ngako
menga chemba chire mele ka ba wo kusu ba mara bla kusu en kusu problem me ma fro chemba obre le ka ba wo chire mamra en wa bradwad Apewe let me do na me wo ko sa and also cuz one Wednesday one year or Tuesday
market day
Mate
Apewe commander that say na me adumo masa Memento enu ye ki so ye chiminu
special assistant dey opera for consultancy communication officer
na special assistant dey ye chiminu is a position DPO
special assistant
position DPO
MP
ele po me expert choko wawa o
me wasala omuni ne me
bisa chene ya mani o
me viche
Friday Monday more Tuesday Wednesday more na and Thursday there by you ba so party Thursday that how to yours in a condom na you imagine happy yours against yours today you ba so party yes we say here my fantastic
it's and you know what you want kan Commander Zito or half for the NPP ono na all press yentu abamma no na omrameye communication director Emma Amanyoku MPP was a Hyoso Apewe Clement so ewa ha ono so wa ha enana pay for the NDC na ono so special aid Emma the MP for Sehwioso na anapay yankomo a ebedie senior medical achire omu no yebehwe ensem ba komienu bi apiepie edwaso enne anapay ni nyina yedi emu enkomo na yedi be free agenda 111 na agenda 111 ena na do danko akufo ado ni suade hunu na papa yi ede bebo ase ena oyi contractors bi mo se o mo ena yedi dwumadi no ahye monsa enti monhwe na monfa ni dwuma enti monsi dan no ema yen na do edi free akonwa so NDC aban aba oba ya ono nso se ni esi na do ani so no o ma na nye kwa sansa ya o manga na japade enti wo nso afato wo nso mbeye no mbeye bia eye saada ye so no ebetumi abam ama Ghana As you see, Asemba Kobe Pubuni say, as the Ghana Audit Service has issued a surcharge against 35 contractors to pay $7.9 million, approximately 94.6 million Ghana cedis to the state. The amount was paid to them as mobilization fees to execute Agenda 111 hospital projects in 19 sites out of the $11.16 million paid to the contractors. They together executed work valued at $5.96 million. An additional $4.35 million was also paid to 11 companies, whose together executed up to $2.49 million of inception work, leaving $1.92 million of work not done before their contracts were terminated. And yes, one into your Sasikano and from my state in the back. Na yentu mfanye Agenda 111. Zito
Kayaso
mamini come from free war.
Medasi dedi kan mamimfa akwenya we na memma wone afisiapa MD Mr. Kalmu nyina producers nyina memma mu nyina afisiapa kaza so memma afisiapa na yana naje my badu so we also na nana matranko busu apa ni nana babi a obi anso memma afisiapa na na elu penso so we also traditional council chidomene nana babi a obi ano memma afisiapa yana na himfu nyina ba hima no nyina no memma afisiapa na memma wa chief form pempem so afisiapa the regional executives led by chairman Benama memma afisiapa yura Dr. Kofi Dr. Kwame Fie yura Pius yura chairman Asua babi o mo bia no memma afisiapa sanso na constituency officers led by chairman Boafo Nyame ono so memma afisiapa minua mora treasure memma afisiapa Syria College Abut Rekanom Daniel no nyina ojugunum mo amkika ka ho a mentimi modi kwabranya akon nyina no memma mo nyina afisiapa ye communicators nso memma mo nyina afisiapa sanso na minua apewe it's a very long time minini shia o studio ache na mefa kwenye so na memma afisiapa na memmo na baso nso memma ne trinkwa say nyame adom NDC buy no abaye special assistant na minim say me free abekọ no na ja me car manya kura nya half tank nti menu apewe me ma so official pa na mama busua fo nyina official pa Kayaso asema odi atudwa no eye me da bia me ka say ya tichiro manya o say yi amanyo sem spectacle free anim na baby o man no ekono yenya kukuduro ne yeka ho asem yiwa kufuado ani so adu hu ne say district hospitals enimu no odibi beko ho megidi se eya adepa se yetimi wie ni nyina enu free aban ma eya adepa ibi poyenti mi enwie nanne ye wie ye no eno so ya depa ebua mamabun especially nurses for doctors for etimi enya adwuma aye ewo man nti saban bi ba na ohu se adwuma we a abanda da de si nani so no eyo man sika na ode ye nti hu be hie yi se ye beto aso a eye ebebo sa aban na baso se project ne be si ho na pro na se kwa na man sika wu agu kwade ye mu bi mu no ye so let's no kra ba ko pe se aban bi aba na ofi se project na abanda da ne ye no ketasise proye bi wo ma Kayaso no kra ba ko pe enye kasa ye ndi asem wo radio so ye ni media for any corruption asem the right place e say ye dey asem e be kwa ko dan court na court na nkasa ahwehwehwem etisen na ebubo wa emra no wadi auditor general da bi na dwuma ya tibi obete na sikase afori ase sikase afori ase enso no ye be ko beba no na bia nkofo mu ye involve no opportunity also mu so munya no mo appear before the auditor general na nim bia no mo anya nti da bia no auditor general dikan edin statement eba abonten or the statement no so ba abonten no so nkire se wo bibia fa wo ho no wo so ni hu kwan se wo ye den or respond. So I believe say sika ye kan wasem sisi an eyo man sika ni o tie me eye ni sika ni ameti enso ye sika because ye nyina ye to e de chechire o man no ndisi ye say ye project bi na bibi akoso na nkoso ya aban ni wo ho kwan se odemra eye adwuma enu ti na Ghana fo akosa line ato aba e de nsisan ye den aba. I don't believe say e was say governance no eye kasa eni kwase governance eye kasa e was say da bia nye hu say government no e proactive a o ye adwuma ma omamuni nyina nya so mfaso. When it comes to corruption issues, I may say obi ye MPP ni say o ye MC say o ye DC say o ye CEO say vi kwa o ye minister and o ye board member bi na ketashisa na proye bi afole ho me the position is say me metena kasa fidie so e me defend o no kro ba akopɛ nanso no e basa eni kwase e crucify ni pan to the stand say bia na ne born na wa ye na nya no kre o si edomo sukoni ehu this is $7.something million akodi contractors wa contractor ABC the metia minimum no abani make sure say the auditor dia beto abonten no kre na Ghana fo hu akokwa say corruption issues ba bia no ye di no radio so and asumasi we say and asumasi we say ba bia bua nipa fo e wa public meanwhile no ba bia ye di nipa asem ebua ne fo no e ye court hwe to abawe ya pe na ye ne man DC fo a set committee bi operation cover all loot anameboa sika close to 20 something billion and mo say akọ ankran samu so they will make sure say 20 something billion no e beba be ka state ni sa which ara me no mo ya adwene na so na kra ba akopɛ 1 year nie ora na ho asema akọ akosi sen one member on the committee crack say and some ne kra mpo na mo di gu nkrata as bebre kra garbage that is that way to use here o si bebre na domlevo o so e former auditor o si bebre na garbage bebre na wura and then ora na ye see pay 20 billion no about me every Ghana so pay 3 billion 2 billion if you am cry no omo ma 3 billion Ghana cedis na me boa say $3 billion and so mpo no in tranches ye tua we and na ni a share mre ni abetua we it is 20 billion na kodi ankwankwa wa e dey say ho say me better be defend ni mi say say ni onu tie me no say 20 billion nipa na o de ko e obere ni bia na ana obere ni bia na so me de menya dia obi aye corruption ana keta say de poye bia fa say nipa nsa na esan say o ye MPP ni nti na wa betra ha na say bi mama ma adwuma ha na be defend because o ye MPP ni da bi o man ni sika no na was assume even admit say no kra yes ye the recruit nurses a oni nurses do be form amabu e no mutifi amunya adwuma nya yes ye the 7.9 million no every kutu omo a mabu dudu be form adwuma nti ye be sere se sika bia sem ba aban previous government nyina enya ndisi aban ko a eya ye magana for enya we have only political way to fight against corruption. Individual no team only that well. Only way la one say the 2 million mawo for 2 million be bibi no hu so mfa so. That's only thing at memuni owo. Until say bi onu so do na bi so be so ye president and be so ye panyin bi wo manim. But enko the say dey no the 2 million mawa mani hu say ade nti a o se o pen sesa no o hu say dey reflect but bia ya to sikare di hu na matimum for contract ko man kran ebi mpa onya DC ni onya MPP ni be bia no ye financier bia o hye tokro bi ma aban ni opposition na party ni opposition no support enya ko man contract jo officer o untouchable
You can't ye. It is a discussion in Sema, the Obey. And I'm giving you one typical example. Go to Jersey Market. What is going on? And I'm very happy to poverty here. What is going on? Say, yeah, friend, but not contractors on site. And now on your Jersey Market, acquiring a down. Kayaso, could you believe that by this buy a crime says, yeah, I hear white elephant. What was the reason? So with your basa, now my perception now, a wild bonty say, am I your phone here, corrupt, you know. A basa, and why? Because democracy no more dey na ye di democracy no fa so no this same people ye di democracy no fa so yeah so dey san so asem no e je bedu chambiri ya nya very careful obi aba toto se nko fon ko sala nko to aba obi anko sala nko to aba because the trust the will to fight against corruption no ya less kese MPP abanfra kun ni onkofo bebre omugina court kaso me kasa sika e won ankwankwa obi kra de asem problem na ka die wie o ana ma yema yo sema to nche na ka di se ni pale kra asem na wie akase court no ni ruling beba ese se na aba power ni ti no yes there bi ya clear won kofie no ni posi kwase de ni you should tell me na se ni pale kofie ade na mo ma court ni improve ni ehu se ampa MPP abande kronosem eto apewe so mani nsan o na mo apewe gira court ti mo ni bi o tika mu na no number bi no wo hu se apewe e blese no abo nti o pese wo te se no kra ya no kre ba na ba ya ape o se apewe kofie yera college data typical example say yes won si dai 1500 and over le den no consider amani musika o consider na so dan wanti mi asini yina wi o gina court aban ba ya ape yes won kofie. The current governor of Bank of Ghana, the same thing. If you do baby, you mayosem no or mano, see ye guide ye sikasem through all the public institutions. And a bemu aswa for ye guiding ya. Mini say Ghana mayose a cover because you bosia. Mini say a cover because you bosia. Say I see a per 3 billion near the conditionalities are kaho. Na me million am offer say and I'm down for biba. Because of that conditionality nti onya aduma nye ni wa we school we national service so mu in that sense karamu na really good nti e be say Ramahama his excellency the president Ghana for the baton na share the same the will to fight against corruption is mandatory. They have no any option to complain to Ghanaians, and I support any move bia aban what here Kayaso eba corruption say economy na eba bua ma yen nyina yen aso mfaso a me person that's my position.
Okay,
say I will support it, but no ko eba ko pe ebi asema beto abontin all the time abeto na nkofo a omo involve no omo nya akonya enko yi omo ho ano says this is the reason tia na we and this is not the first time all the time na dey say me bre beto montin so a ye be wa ko wi are say omo asem ne form omo so ba bontin ya omo so ko na mko yi omo ho ano a na asem na kwa den bo achi bidin.
Okay, me that's Zito apewa
the Adeakyea Medal Liberty Achieve for all NDC members in Sevi, you also and then Western of Minuano and then Wakasa as a social commentator. You do baby are not chipping in the political aspect, so the achieve the strategy, you don't know. The Adeakyea Kayaso concerning the surcharging of certain individuals over payment of a mobilization fee is good. Now, your faith that our institutions are working. This will take me back to, I think, Osafo Manfo and then Domlebo. The nemesis of Domlebo. The same thing. Bra or charge Crow and Associate and then that of Osafo Manfo. Concerning a Juma omwanye a omoji $1 million Ghana $1 million free of charge. A Juma was omo year because when they came into power, they say omo yes some auditing. Now my GGG near may be a free certain individuals for them. So Crow and Associates was contracted to do this work. They didn't do the work, but they collected $1 million. A state money, taxpayers money, Ghana Fusika, that money, na ke beti me si be over 500 nursing training colleges. Ne beti me si be 1,000 hospitals me de yenua ema anu magum, yenua mema no nurses pon agum. But it could be certain individuals one. When we had a state institution fighting and trying to retrieve the money back to the state, and yes, now oji edi amanu oji amagana for na to be the say sika ne dia impuntu nyuma o Ghana. That is where the message started here. Sabre no na yewra domlibo enya ne kwanhia asem to no na president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo kayan say ne time aso won kufie nkwaje na homi enne the appointed auditor general of His Excellency the former president Nana Addo Dankwa Akufo-Addo Yewra Johnson Ekuamoa has also taken the bold steps to retrieve mobilization fee yedema agenda 111 contractors. And the panic aspect of it all, near who crowd omunu say initially was it agenda 99 as agenda 88?
Yeah, why 11?
Initially first one was not 111
88.
Yes, 88. And or the 31 beka homa year 111. Not even a single hospital. Not even a single hospital. And by the time MPP ekofie no na ya commissioner ye mu adwuma nurses for timu ye mu adwuma, not even a single. I stand to be corrected. I stand to be corrected. And I'll be so much excited say obema me that example say bia this particular
been a head list or by or commission or maybe ta account
ebi ni ne hemo
Asante we do a commission be mi nukura ho.
Not even a single hospital. Misstatement in say. Not even a single hospital. Agenda 111 hospital. Bra MPP ekufie near commissioner di adwuma. Not even a single. I stand to be corrected. And when mu nyina your mine sika na yedi ama contractors e wo so mutimi di wie hospital no na nka mo de mu wie ba kokura ma Ghana for. And then look at the number of Ghanaian youth in terms of nurses mutifie na mu wie ba kokura na nka ye adwuma anka hallelujah. When you were going home there was not a single hospital na ma commissioner na ye adwuma in terms of the agenda 11
December 2024 Akufo-Addo commission trade
mani we are working
Mati Midasi Mati sorry
yeah.
Not even a single agenda 111 hospital near commissioner ye adwuma. I understand the commission. The commission is says yo we be done here 70% near kwatwa humam yes here. That was your strategy, and that is the commissioner oba can want them. I know that was your strategy. A lot of them were not functioning. Prior kura na bi nim plastering kura yenye enso mu ko twitwa humam with this state money sika or minor taxpayers money ayedi ko shemu mudi ko shemu enne we have Aban Papa. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama is allowing the state institution to work. If you know any of the contractors, just advise them say we litigation be any omo ankasa nhwe say no kure say sika no mobilization fee no e wo say de mo no aburo so a yesere wo say ye chichire wo man ni yie ye wo man ni yie MPP fo nyina age atum say o man no ba bi aduru ni de ye koyanim ye chichire ni yie omo ma sika ne mra omo fa sai sika ne mra momo ko twene tan because enim say omo headmaster ye wuro safo mafo obetumi a kire omo kwan no say this is the litigation process monfa so that the state will be prevented from retrieving such monies. So my senior comrade, if you know any of the contractors, can you do us a favor? Can you do us a favor and advise them so that omudi sikane bebama o mine so anya bi e de akikire o mine no say ye pese see hospitals, ye pese complete the hospitals no. The intention was very good. Say abanya ba when you had the intention say may see a lot of hospitals 111. The intention was very, very, very good in terms of jobs and near deba. And for one near debre or mine, into the intention was very good. Nemum. Kwaya na mo faso I no because that time no ye him say nesika any ho. Enti muna nka mo betimi ayen kakra even 5 okra no mo si no mo commission matoto mfidie de agum na ye nuanu ma nurses fo nsonya adwuma ni bi eye. You didn't do that. And all that happened was sharing of the state or the taxpayers' money. Ubekom nipa or the contract in a man on wajini percentage as usual. The national anthem of the MPP. Give me the contract, let me take my percentage. And we na koso into the mobilization fee no yet you amana bros one. Tia bestre. Our state institutions are working under John Dramani Mahama. We are so happy that this is not the first time. Yes, I charge Obi. Now, Auditor General no so ye danasi. So, what take it that initiatives? So, be ma o man no yes aka isika what ye ka. Near the impuntunuma. This government John Dramani Mahama administration ya bai sika bia baba bia no calculator da ho. Sika bia baba bia no calculator da ho. Nti nyade ya be ma wo bi opportunity so that you maneuver your ways. You conjure magic. Now you chip in something. Now the bia show bottom ebi si calculator e da ho. Ye ra to forcing. Sika bia ode baba bia no calculator e da ho. Wo bebu ho akonta no abu no yie. Nti contractor ye de ma individual so munye nyina no. So your municipal assembly, so your regional coordinating, so even the national aspect won't me and go beyond what has been stated by the guidelines.
Okay. Is it now so kakra?
You see, mini apewe eya on your fact checking. The truth of the matter is say Angela 111 ye free bem. Ni incomplete ni nyina.
Yes.
Pano kure ba kupe. Kayaso ko Ghana Health Service. Omonkasa Facebook page. Na ko hemfoni April 2025. Omo commission Eastern Region mako 5 including Okle. With fully equipment, everything set. Na ya to about 2024 December. Did that ben NDC about Koreama obesi den we di nyoma ko guma commission somewhere April no. Clear December 2024 a week to election Akufo-Addo the former president a commission trade agenda 111 hospital fully equipment of only Chrome in Asante region. You see asema Americano a public document so Ghana Health Service you will see there on Facebook page go there and yes I mean me Muslim account. It's good. Listen. I'm giving you the source. Me say Ghana Health Service. I'm giving you the source. Me can say my join online. Ghana Health Service, a government institution. On say, and this is for Adeakyea Abia mo ya on say. Some people fear about me ye bibia. Na omo ba no mo di pin kura be kan wa. The thing say, omo na mo share bibia say from scratch. Ye nye amanyo sem sa. Open politics na apewe. My very good friend, yenjai sadia no yetichiro manyo nti sa abandon da bi ye bibi na ofisu na obakwa na beto aso a o ma gloria fane ka ho even the idea ni poro otan ase ehun se ma menya sadia woni mpo ho e ya depa ebi na yera president Messi yera kufo e de single span policy by you free abam yera president Messi by o se ya depa abebo Ghana institutions no ma yera kufo glory. But this new one DC, they will never. Yes, I saw mine and Koso. Say yes, sir, on mine and Koso. Typical example, you are using this street light a road glass in Potemubai. You free them, the truth about us, and I like now do. But ya honorable Dominic Jesse, never na baso. You better Christmas, and can you even also so? Sana was here, man was him. No, any kwasi ekata yani
ade ne nya kura yes ye what say the National Association Defenders no sao well of association to defend hey everything bibi anya bia be defend it na se ya twe abo mo abafia ho na abahu o see institutions under Mahama His Excellency everything is working perfectly. Judicial service omukoma bu judicial service and omukoma bu under Mahama His Excellency the President judicial service any institution. We have most police in the assemblies. Most police go to the fire service and see they can't talk. I'm telling you, Apara. Me see fire service yeah. What is happening? Me see they can't talk. The allowances are not coming. They can't talk. Apara, governors moody agro. Everything is on white paper. The beer is on course. Abani bado omadi ababibia abapapa. Mumbe omo. Na mu informations. Legitimate allowance. Ana ma dua mu se mu gu wura na mu tugara mu se na mu twa mienti no. Oman no obi a wa tono. Is that the case? Mu gu wura mu na mu bunya left right center na mu tugara mu se ese oman so nti mu fi so oman obi a wa tono. Hey. Governors nani. So don't come and sit here and say institutions for wa tomo. Ye ni mu konfo e ni o ma ye aduma and they are crying. And this government now you need be Kayaso. Let me tell you. Sade enko le bebo NDC for abaso. My position NDC ba abama. Say institution your boy your plan 1 year for onuma ntimi nkasa. Say your boy yem. We institution head near boy yem. Now on year for onuma say be do on fan cheme. You cannot talk. But when MPP is in government our forest they will tell you. Huh? And I know MPP police station member or what could you coach our market can MPP Ejelino. Which MPP government are you talking about? Me say MPP wa bremu. Example you are not getting me.
Asem na oka or say sad na oka no eno nkwa na obebo NDC abaso e wo ho say ade we the NDC wo ma ya ade. But say MPP na wa ban mu a anka MPP ni kotwa dua kura anka ye bejeli.
I know MPP colleague, MPP ni twa dua ni akoka ntama guso. Ni akoka ntam ni MPP ni akoka dua ni akoka ntama guso. I know it. But the institutions no mama institutions ni amu do mo say go machi, omo timi kasa. They are fled. Let me finish. Apara get me well. They are afraid institutions no muso. The statement no one negative statement. Me negative institutions ni so yatia. Ana mabu bowra forestry commission. No so heya. So am on tia say ya omu ya heya. Mo ba power ya anu achi yen. It institutions be na mo ba ya omo wa to omo no.
Okay.
So get me well. They make sure say some people were Burma. You German institutions na ga say your moduma. You interfere. Forestry commission manager and manager or na juma. Then you dare not.
Okay.
And now we institution head you dare not. Na ka kwesi your forest say. Tell us you 1 year ni ko he na ye gata.
Okay. Mati.
Pewe.
Zito, yes, Pewe, Mpacho.
Zito shock me on payo. Hey, me na Gaza Burkina Faso MPP aba no ga o. Na nye MPP aba Ghana e ko fie December 2024 yo. Ha, ye ni yo so a. Ye ni yo so krom ha. Zito, na no pe ye wa chada. Ye ni yo so, ye ni nya ko so yo so a. For us, Jesus Christ of man. O brother Yankobo. Bra. Maybe you were not around.
Me too.
Listeners are going to bear me total witness. Nye koso ewo yoso ha. One family no magikwa ye ni nyina afa. One family busha baako. Enti no oka se ni yonko MPP ekotwa awoma ne ache no ne aka ntam agunu so no. Asechire no.
Benent me happy one DC.
Asechire no. One family busha baako. No magikwa ye nafa. No munkwa na didie. Omukwa na Ghana for omukwa na esa himai.
Same family nyamu ne omu twa bia. And the same
family.
Family na ka. Omu twa.
Yeah.
Ba na bibi wa ba mu de ne yati enkofo.
One family. Ye nim ne na ekoso yo so o. Ye nyina ye wo yo so ha.
Na mu ba mu ne omu na ka.
And na ye tikrom ha. Institutions are working. Forestry Commission obiani ni asem. Omunyo omo adwuma. Yansu ye adwuma. Legitimate ones no ye mrantie no ye maburu no legitimate ones no omunyo omadwuma ne de omunyo omadwuma illegitimate ones ne de institutions no enyo omadwuma And you mean I may be catching institution say well you money yet. You are there, you know what you are supposed to do. Do the right thing. Do the right thing. It is not like the MPP's era. Now a certain family, one family, ajikwani na ope eduaba konkra board kra dia ye wei o lent kra wunya bi. Enne abaya ba sa ne man ye twam. Enne branche obia timi si dan. Ope nuasi udan ko hu forestry commission. Ombema o kakra no apai na dia ye wadwuma. Ko hu forestry commission Omema baby kakra no apa enuani mienu na dey wadwuma legitimate. Go and see them, they will help you. They will help you. It is no more the era whereby a certain family ope board keke wawa board e dey your lentila wunya bi ene sade ne yatwam John Dramani Mahama Abreso yatwam ye nyina ye Ghana fo. Ghana for everything belongs to we Ghanaians. Not a single family is going to benefit at the expense of the rest. All of us are going to benefit equally. As far as you are smart, you also benefit.
Meda pewase na menna eye commander Zito nsusu ase na menka wo se ebia na akomayare haw anabe woti menkafo ni chemu ewo peske ebia won so wode no diabetes sabe obema na so na pese ye kese oba wo to na eye flat pese eye akese wafuso pese wonya eye flat tummy stretch mark ajo already aboso don't worry your peske ewo empomam ana fra wo 0530122500 ana 0268 477 660 Saranso ena anapai the Bros Phones Service womo ese womo airton phones apapa e wo dwaso eno nti se ope phone pa akura dia for the echirem e wo the Bros Phones Service say iPhone Samsung say Nokia ana phone ben ope laptops phone glass phone protectors phone covers power banks ye wo nyina bi wodru aye se wi oso gina se a boada ka bro sa no esoro wa ena wo mo fra wo mo 0550 981107 ana 0543531524 the Bros Phone Service yes a quality affordable phones and gadgets nemum se say ya na pay what menka me kamfo aye school pano edi amount Smart Effort College school e wo aye so makrom ya gemmofra wo mo kwotro so hwe aye wa C exam a wo mo efeli yina wo mo so betumi aba betro no foforo e wo ma so ye ye wo mo ne ya kire wo ma de ama wo mo tumi akwotro so hwe ne ya twa enu ntemfa wo ne bia wo for any HM ewo so macrom school yi sign age emofra from crèche ekokosi class 4 0541639371 and 0243112806 Udu so macrom bia enka no na Grace Preparatory School ewon ehonom ena woman so ewo Dawood Herbal Center woman de Dawood 360 ena Dawood ointment e de abadwa so ahotutu sasabro waposo ena eyewo ya ode momode ma wonsa enka bi ebetu ne nyina ase ndro yi enye ma oba wafa afuro oba o ma bofra no fo ena abofra nso onya emfie dumienu nemom se malaria na ehaw wonum na to wontumi ne die ulcer eye Dawood Herbal Mixture abuzu ewo pharmacy bia mu bia to odro bia kwa wonsa beka bi obetumi afra omo 0244885437 ana 0201681717 enro yina nso no efi Dawood Herbal Hospital a ewo eye Sahwi Asanwe so na ma menko eye apewo enro na eye Felix Kwachi Ofosu ene nsantwe foshi aye Government Accountability Series and audit tuja. Nasema all can you say cost of living there. See every Ghanaian will attest to it. Above from pa. Sana ono all canon. Na okana sa owie ye no. Ena na the Ghana Statistical Service for so say the Ghanaian economy grew by 3.8% in October 2025. As service sector dominates, but from where you sit, cost of living form.
Question with the anchor.
First, who be say anchor? What the can
me beka.
Question with anchor day.
Anchor me the back test me senior comment. Because nature make us say nyame na room on you sugar. Into tofu. Into on say fuel for fuel.
Cost of living
I'm giving you an example. And I'm building a point.
Okay.
You are getting me. On you sugar or tofu. Into on say sia no. Fuel for na fuel na bafem emo no so ne botoma eden ahiha no ntene otiminya change and I balance at the end be far from that. It's true. Cost of living in Ghana has reduced drastically. Ghanaians are doing very, very well. We are all living testimonies to the recent Xmas. We are quite Ghana for a first one. Ye di brunya near maso ababa FM.
Never been out to toy.
Xmas
never been out to toy.
Anwa even car. Cry yatiso. Car you used to Ghana. Any of the cars purposely because dollar no abefem.
Okay.
Because of the prudent management of the economy by the NDC. Nti sene sanyema wenu nyina so abeba former. I know our political opponent will tell us, oh, go to the market and see. Things are costly there. And it's never true. It is not true. Go to the market and see. Things have reduced.
Hey.
Yes.
Wow.
People are expecting the changes to be about 100 Ghana. Maybe 1,000 Ghana. But for the first time in the history of this country, na ya to aba, yenya change of governance. Na niema so etiti eba from Yen NDC there. It is not enough for the NDC. What we are seeing, it is not enough for the NDC.
Still want to do
yes, we want to do more.
Okay.
We want to do more. And we are not leaving any stone unturned to do more. We will continue to do more to see that there is changes or reduction in the cost of living. Says here, and ne MPP for Nankasa, Edi Adansi say, Ampani Ampa, Omu who say, Abambia ba, Niamaso, atiti. Government and the policies.
And ensure board things are.
Ensure like
near Yanum.
Ensure Yanum, that is pure water. The government of the day is doing its part. Our appeal to we the businessmen and women say we are benefiting from government policies. We are benefiting from whatever the government is doing to help us to have a better life.
And electricity board.
Yes, Remo. Electricity is not expensive.
Hey,
it's not expensive. Why? Because it is not. Why? Because ene nema bi so atete e de amam wonya kakra. Na sa ban no so epe kakra. Through electricity. Why are you crying? Chese yemfa bibia nche ye. Me na Kayaso. Yemfa bibia nche o Ghana. Na Ghana ye chechere ne sen. Don't forget that our revenue generation is taxes. And now me know say the only revenue generation is taxes. Yentimi nkwa ma no ne nkobo bosia because of the mismanagement of the MPP administration. Nti when they didn't sika ebe ma yen bosia because someone you have been touted 2024 onum say Ghana ya mobra sebi ya kohwifo odi sika ma ya yentua na na ekoso. Nti obi woni sika kura na ode ma ya na ni yam hwehwe no mfa ma ye. But this government has come trying to rewrite the wrong. Say on mine baby a year kono we are improving. Cost of living, do not let us say Niema is supposed to be rousy the way it's penal, but we are doing our best. Niema so atiti aba FM ediamaye taxes so ati yeba yenyi COVID-19 firi first no so na COVID-19 wo
no
bola tax neni wo
no
man for tua bola tax ene yeba yeyi bola tax nyina firi wo no wenum nyina ma Ghana for ye ho ahihan ye far from say ye ma dollar na ba fam na ye ho ahihan no far from say ye titi ne ma bo so mesre the market women and then the market men businessmen yes remo abana ye bi now the pressure is no more going to the government. If you monitor the airwaves, the pressure is no more going to the government because people have appreciated what the government is doing. Amanfo ajetum ehunu say abana de year juma nemum our own selfish interest, especially, excuse me to say, the businessmen and women. Mfaswa yenye free abai no hono. Let it reflect on goods and services. But be a dunia entity so. First na dollar
you might be thinking say sa nyama ni nyina no. Okay, but the business community is almost kasa.
What is their excuses?
Hold on. The last
what is their excuse?
Hold on.
Because I've listened to some of the excuses.
Listen to me.
And it's not legitimate.
So if you have listened to some of the excuses,
it is not legitimate.
Which and which?
Ebi a memeti and say ebi a man or important be a year and the be go. That cannot be an excuse. But does it mean say too important a year? Me interview the court 25 Ghana cedis and can you do that?
Go Benyan Faso. And me interview Guta, Omo General Secretary. Sir Richard. Now Nasema all can I say they were paying a flat rate of 4%. Right now, no abai eduomo ako 20% across board. Womo sika 7.5 billion, which is 750,000. That bracket. So somebody who was charging 4% and now is to charge 20%. Emma niema bo enyadi.
Kayaso.
Yes, sir.
Let us be sincere to ourselves. Say, we are not saying that we will not deal with the taxes. The taxes will be there because as I said earlier on, the only means negana buying. Yedibu money is our taxes.
And you're robbing Peter to pay Paul.
It's our taxes. And to who you be a free one. We must find a legitimate ways of what? Getting the revenue.
And that is getting the revenue back.
But you more taxes are free so.
Why you more? But
you more free. Why you can't so up $1
because somebody who was paying 4% now is paying 20. So 16%
17 Ghana cedis back on. And now the 10 cedis na dey ko. And this now the 10 cedis na dey ko.
All these taxes. I didn't want to.
I didn't want to so. I didn't want to so. You best say woman Kayaso. You best from appeal to them. Nema na this kind of free Ghana economy.
Tax na ba da so no akosoro. Ebe na nipa nema wate so.
Taxes in the Kayaso. That should not be a basis to increase and also to maintain the prices of goods and services in this country. That should not be the basis. Because a lot of government na yedi amom. They should appreciate it and appreciate what the government is doing. No mon tisu kakra. Emwaye.
Zito.
Kayaso.
Yes, sir.
Unim de tia na parent person sa topic no be sha asem. And me ya say somebody like Apewe na and ne watika se video wisu e catch Ghana for say nyam kane abo musua enyeyi. I wasn't expecting Apewe to say that. He's fine gentleman, meaning they will see you na man yourself. But I advise nam de man. Say o party ba bema wa hwe awon kasa ye. Ebe ma credibility. Ebe kofom. Fast forward. Kazu obi obeka sa ban we ba ye onye bibia no na onye honest person.
Thank you very much.
Obi obeba obeka sa ban we onye abutre. Obi obeba obeka sa ban we nye bibia na onye honest person. But the truth of the matter is say aban we ade a waye no from 2025 to 2026 as compared to your Akufo-Addo 2017 to 2018 no eye pana ye ba mu 2017 kaso ye yi taxes mako 17 we are for nuisance taxes like I mentioned all one by one mako 17 na good Ghana for so you need na few yantu nam career boom for close to 1 year and normal boy is stable inflation about single digit dollar at a form
$2. Is it American dollar?
2017 NPP aban and manage economy na brand new fair bem na agree by 7.5
and now can say that same trip. Oh, please. Apewe mama mti paper ni bi ma wo. And the question you free abam na petrol at 14.5 and then baby 11 baby 10 point something. And this time because we because are buying ye bibia na obwa. Na Kayaso indicators are you dey measure economy no. It is not only about petrol. Any petrol nkwan dey measure indicators. Say economy ye petrol about for your top petrol 170 economy ye. MPP wa ban 2024 Toyota better uko year na ye 29,000 and na Kayaso the same car e 36,000 the same car e 36,000 nyabutre ye fra ban 2024 o car insurance say me kwam na me twa no 480 Ghana cedis ye fra ban mum na ye 480 Ghana cedis and you 530 Ghana cedis insurance. Oh please. And you now say, oh damaseno. Na pe me kasa so me kasa. Me compare me 1 year to Akufo 1 year. Na Ghana for who say MPP aban from 2017 to 2018. Je boy home modern cinema. And emuna NDC for say about for me Kayaso. You who say am krono na ni bibi. Emuna 5 kilos na na turn MPP peso. 145 Ghana cedis and about 4.5 kilos. Nyabutre me pese me ton obi mu ha ma no. Me pese me bo obi brand di mu. I say emuna na 5 kilos na turn 145 no. And the same no about 4.5 kilos. Baby 160. Baby 175. Nyabutre Uni baby me tomu NDC ni ho. And this is what I'm me tomu.
Say am on na 5 kilos.
Anna pacho. Oh, apewe. He communication.
Mpacho.
Apewe. Communication ye kasa bebre. Ye ni Ghana for di nkomo.
Am on na 5 kilos.
Me say, ya tiso about 4.5 kilos.
Wo mate am on so.
The weight, the quantity ya tiso. And then insure wait. MPP pencil na 32 Ghana cedis na esemu maako 20 the person me bo nsuo ni di 24 and now koto the same nsuo na and 38 Ghana cedis quantity na say about from
asembe na okay
yes the same nsuo na wo see 24 no ya packaging 24 no and na ye so a new 24 bi mu by bonus as wa konanim
abalaka say osi ye so manaka 20
be pese me ye so bi market amano ye si for ma yenko
some me on eka so I will check
Kayaso cross check it anwa no mo say about from anwa de hia
apewe mpacho
anwa no mo say about from anwa de hia anwa de no mo say about from Kayaso lily oil me body 1.5 liter MPP ye fra bam na at the 32 Ghana cedis and na baby 36 baby 34 2017 to 2018 yantu nam kanya bom mobile bam mama Ghana for insuo close to 17%.
Conditionality, poor management of the economy by the
17% about papa bano na Kayaso and na yes inflation that send the bigots anamebwa dollar so e wo fom enti ade na ban na onu fira ban mu na dollar na wo so na inflation wo so ba na nyoma bo no e wo fom and na dollar na inflation aba fom nyoma bo no wo so university for inflation wo so na dollar na wo so no na mu school fees no na ejira ba bi ejira and mu the school fees bo ni bi ba say asaka ho
almost yanje almost yin free ho
na mo say
GTEC
Kayaso
yes it
crop the Johnson and you remember catch Ghana for say omo di pro bia wo man ni mu no na people about in Ghana for into the COVID blah and then we are paying petrol levy 1%.
And still petrol war for
Nyabutre apewo nyabutre oh nyabutre me wa butre o wo ya sara me nyam mo mere ha trensem de wo ye no ebe ma Kayaso ma me tam ne mo tupa ma me wie na rebata Kayaso abawo ya ma Ghana for nyam kane abo 28% electricity 28% increment
stable energy
28% mesa bo bia wo no 28% mo dia ma Ghana for wo se ma Ghana for nsu na ni bibi mi business ameye no mi threshold for my tax 4%. Nti no obi beto ade afiri bi wa se mi timi buo nipa no consider kakra aba we se mi twa 750,000 Ghana na mi di gas see ya o ma mi 20% tax increment abra dollar wo from inflation wo from bad people wa bam na inflation wo from na dollar inflation wo so na dollar wo so no no look for 750,000 Ghana cedis on business ya money 20% tax and na inflation wo from dollar wo from e get before no to ade ayento omo to ade ayento
ade
me Kayaso me see omo to ade ayento
e depend ade awo ton
Christmas 2024 my talk ko 120 Ghana cedis 2025 Christmas me ko talk ko say was 200 Ghana cedis why o catch them say nyane na odi fidi ne kokoro ne buo wo soro na say na say dollar ba from inflation ba from ma tu me ko talk ko say was 200 Ghana cedis na dollar ni inflation ba from na say nyoma buo no escalate. The truth of the matter is say on white paper figures are correct but the reality on the ground so I'm reflecting okay I say IMF conditionalities and I'm here to nyam kanya boom ya to nsuo boom apewe you have all the majority empowerment to change every policy BNPP aban eja wo ho and only bibi dollar above from inflation above from the numerous policies and this for the go akwem e ma Ghana for ye jide ko to abamomo ba kokko no ma implement it bad people who are bam na dollar ni inflation was wrong we are able to implement free senior school e fie bia mu nya so mfaso and the dollar above from inflation above from Kayaso 24-hour economy ayebu atibidi women's bank ayebu atibidi and next is 40 fie judicial service almost say this 19th almost cost strike. They are not paying the Ghanaian workers about papa inflation above from that above. What is happening? We should be honest to ourselves. We are good president. Upon and what you are say. Don't say that above from inflation above from nothing have changed. But porter there is an increment there. The good president. I say more catch Ghana for no. Here, Obama, you could defend everything. But the reality they catch you should be sincere to yourself and admit it. And then tell people who are bem na me nyinam kania bo me 2,000 Ghana cedis abra dollar was ro inflation was ro na this year ba bem na aba papa ba dollar ba from inflation ba from na me 2,306 Ghana cedis for the same consumption. Atie for money mo atie for money mo o see am people wa bam na me 2,000 Ghana cedis no na sa ban ne nye to be campaign me to abeti as ban no and oba ban mu no for the 300 cedis account the same consumption. What was the reason?
We just 500 Ghana cedis.
You see robbing Peter to pay Paul and we been NDC for the Magana for no and we be NDC for the Magana for no now only be NDC for Ghana for NDC to that extent say sebi na money mo Ghana for money ma say jabra muka asem kire mo asem no mo nko machi enka aka nyoma because you see enche na e refi ade na ka ba you have everything that above from inflation above from economy ayeye enso one policy se be ma mabura muti 20 million aduma nya bia ye no ba kokko na wa implement it. The women's bank no e wo hefa that above from inflation above from we are able MPP we are able and maybe bia na yema Ghana for you have no any external shocks mo muni any external shocks Money any external shock.
What do you mean by external shock? Poor management.
What is wrong with Ghana and Koko Kwani? Koko Kwani or the Koko ne koma PC yes it can fan top. What the bottle of the infant to I will not use bottle for campaign. Obeti ni Koko na gun into the no Kali. But was what the Koko ni gun to no Kali. Mo money yes it can mo hefa. O ka bibia that aba from. O ka bibia inflation aba from. Yeah. Missing me apewe and I'm meaning me on the basic form. You are me the never call one can say NDC form ton yoma. Na emo any and one hour say above from so everything is all right. Na ka so ni bibi. Adia o mamu ye pa no. Aya general. Aya nyinam kane abo. Obi everybody every household be a nyinam kane abo. Obi a trust school fees. Oba nkwa wo fa se beko. Wo fa se nkwa unya bi ba beko. Adena sa sectors no abani di increment be bra ko go because when say hone de benya more revenue. Oh yes sir. Now we need to move forward because in opposition you have every solution to every problem. What say what they wouldn't nyansa sebi wouldn't nyansa or man to the stand say MPP aban ya bon ye nim he yanko. So you have every solution to every problem. Me think right here you can solve it for me. Iti obaya obeba ban so no dey a increment no sa ban no ya kwadefo ban. That is exactly what I'm catch MPP aban and now yet your position these same people adi nam kanya go Ghana for ntimi tua and the industries it mean to more workers because nam kanya bo no na dey say MPP say na wa bam adana dala ba from na fresh aba from na mo boss abla no so on paper economy ni yema omo but Ghana for bottom any ade to dey yan talk happy way.
Kayaso, he made mention of say Ghana NDC abaye yentimi implement any of our policies.
Sure.
In our manifesto, we said this is what we said. We said if Ghanaians give us the opportunity, these are some of the policies that we are going to implement. We never said it anywhere that if Ghanaians give us one day opportunity, we are going to implement these policies. That's the point of correction I want to make. We said if Ghanaians give us the opportunity, we are going to implement the 24-hour economy. The 24-hour economy policy has been laid.
There was no timeline.
Yes.
Okay.
In short, there was no timeline in our manifesto. And I'm surprised. I'm surprised to say, I'm surprised to say we have not been able to implement the 24-hour economy. It is a policy which has been laid. Now, he's mentioned another thing or kind of 24-hour economy. Go to the passport office. Go to the DVLA head office. They are running the 24-hour economy.
Chrome passport office. I'm running 24/7.
I said head office.
Okay.
Some American. Yes, they are running the policies. Ajumaura, yeah, they are. So no fee,
no fee stress.
No, yes, and also Ghanaian youth are benefiting in it. Every crowd offers even a benefit here. Maybe a lot of Ghanaians are omuchi school fees in the first year, tertiary for the first time in the history of this country. Tertiary for school fees, 90-95% of them are buying the school fees at the Mahomo. This is what we call buying papa. Secondary schools are now mentioned about SHS, free education. Me no me to Kroma every Friday, Saturday, Sunday na nkwala na adwane abafi. BECHEM bankudi akọ school. Me no me enu yete ayenim. Enne aban papa ba yenti. These people are no more. Aduane ekọ schools nim. The opportunity has been given to the headmasters. Say look for food, purchase the food, and feed nkwala no very very well. Have you ever heard say secondary school akwala bi complain bi? E wo Ghana ha. E wo sawia. See a school ni yenya aduane ni. And now what is say parents be e complain say your school. Your man say aduane ne nye. No mo yale. Your man say aduane ne so omudi. Never. And this by sanyema we nyina ye twam. And ne students a good secondary school honum edidi 3 times omo ho to omo kama. Nobody is complaining again. That is a good governance on the side of the NDC. And now me no ka say ukọ dwunase marketer system with the main person me boss because me no mienu etie we are not wiser and I say nim de a chain listen and no wa bonten no nti say me metena hanom ka say cost of living above from and I say atete niam so a the witness and I say nipa na o experience no on the listener no ni otie e wa abonten no market women no dwadifo no omo ton niam no
omo na witness
they know better than me no mienu omo ni message me no mienu ayete anu ye make this argument so they are listening to us they are experiencing it see ye ka say ka boy din say duty eswati me say me talk but omo dealing in cars enim say NDC ba ye die in terms of car purchasing any duty there abafem echa me no mienu.
But is it to say porter e was so
entina me ga say me ni mienu die the living testimony the listener because he is doing propaganda.
What propaganda?
He's doing propaganda. He's doing propaganda. So the listener there.
But no small. We are very aware say insurance there has been an increase.
There's no argument about that.
Okay.
There is no argument about that. But when you compare that, the benefit side of it to that of the MPP, the living testimony is the listener. Hope you are getting me. The living testimony, the listener over there. And to Mestre, MPP, 1 year in governance, they should allow us, they should give us the time. Ghanaians are benefiting from all the policies that we are laying. They are the living testimonies. Whatever they will say, whatever all the propaganda they can do, they are not more Ghanaian than the listener.
Car born there, I can attest to because Mko Yiji wagon, a born over. And this are the previous.
Thank you very much.
Yes.
For testifying.
Kayaso.
For testifying.
Me say Toyota better 29,000 MPP 2024 and 36,000.
I am not doubting you. Yeah. And they haven't doubted.
So I doubting my argument. Say car boy before.
Me say car boy. They make sure and then boy say e bona duty asem na me kan you. Duty asem na me kan.
So who can duty? And I may attest to the duty.
Kayaso woni bibi.
No see
Kayaso say car boy.
Kayaso
ne bo koso.
Kayaso woni bibi.
Yes sir.
Me ni etia say aduane e school for di. Omo bae aye kama.
Have you heard any complaint again?
The Minister for Education, Haruna Busu. On 4th May 2025, crying
last year
about the food that the man Kolani school, Haruna Busu. You can cross check on online. Minister for Education. You see, who bet me propaganda bia baje bi wo ho a. Obia betinya kan. Enu ayam for ni bi e free northern region. Ayam no dorofa. Wurade. It's a good one. I'm going to mark our school. Kayaso, I was shocked.
Zito video.
I was shocked. I was shocked.
What do you back conjecture?
I know him. He's a me my mentor. He's
special assistant. Smartphones. It mean cross check. He was so some na make am boa. Yes, I know you are not the region.
Not the region.
Check task force dey school.
Kita the secretary.
You see, not the region school.
I'm secretary school the secretary.
No, edi wumi sa. Me say Kayaso, aduane ne pa wo video no. Ubesira.
What was
Say MPP but no did it 3 times.
You also training college.
Yeah, who the bisa magu me say o did how many times?
Can I call someone
testify? Nyabote. Say magu no did how many times? Mo defend ya ne mo ya adwen. National Defenders Association. Say idea amamono no. Like that's all bibi. And this manifesto ni. And this manifesto ni. And mo policy documents so essence shame. And then we had met itself for the 24-hour economy, no, on my timeline. On Mampani Mahama, his excellency John.
But a section of it has been implemented.
Oh, please. I mean, okay, I number you are also I can come from. You are John Mahama. Or still within 100 days. It's our planning program, sir. Or board the Ghana for within 100 days, including Ghana say 2 weeks. 24-hour economy within 100 days. Women's Bank within 100 days. And Koko get within 100 days.
Yes.
And then 100 days, remember how many years? 1 year. In 100 days, you will be at the end of the
100 days in term.
100 days a term. Yeah. But I gave you a section of the economy. Another institutions are almost running the 24 hours. Yes. So catch them.
Yes, the 24-hour economy, no.
Catch them.
I have been in the mining sector. I'm running 24-hour economy. Hospitals, I'm running 24-hour economy. Police, they
don't understand the policy. Starting from 24 hours, still before.
What is the policy about?
Okay, Martin.
What is the policy about?
The policy is saying the government will put down certain items. Some of the items, and then they say, like you are an institution, you have the capacity to expand, so that we'll be able to employ more. Maybe I want taxes, maybe a 2 electricity, and now there is a third item on it. Those items, you know, the government will support you on that.
Yes.
The aim is for you to expand.
Yes.
So that you can recruit more. So when we talk of the 24-hour economy, it is never and not every institution and I say Juma any bit me running the 24-hour economy.
They are selective.
Yes. And then also something optional.
Yes, and they are optional.
Yes. So the MPP is making it look like say every sector of the economy is going to run a 24-hour economy. Okay. That is not.
Thank you.
Another apewe o kasa no asan asan wechi. Afi mobile bemla mu 24-hour economy fufu a che Ghana. Oh nya but me na make kasa o apewe. Me be respect listeners pa o. Apewe me respect listeners pa o. O de me body o de so me a o de buatie for no. O se me time kwa na ojema am quiet. Ye ma Ghana fo atinyoma bi mase. Se MDC for mona mudi nokre anaye na ye twantro ntinya abutanye ndibeti Kayaso 24-hour economy Sami Jamfi National Communications Officer on the entity show I say NDC ya dum Ghana for ya dum NDC ba ma ye be implement 24-hour economy enti we ya titi out studio hey anopa obeba no apon 8 hours no obi so aba no apon 8 hours. The here say be police for normal guard them including filling stations. Institutions like assembly. Say come see your juma all anyway. Oh, masa. Akazo. First day pa na we I know go animals you. Institutions like assembly. Na community appointment here we MC. But ne time so ye. It ka ye regesi e pon a 8 hours na ka we wakwakwotinem. Then is a Ghana for it. Ghana Mabu, and your Juma, and only bibi. What is that? Musa so catch a Ghana for say liberty. Oh, I bet 24-hour economy. Mobile liberty, Nam Kania Bo Abba from. Oh, Yamutena Castle, and Nam Kania Bon, Abba from an answer also.
Yeah.
That be general.
They had a running 24 but a mouthful.
But I say, I said, quite a couple. If you see them before me, now can so 8 hours, no, be 8 hours. Filling stations now, Moka said, mobile running 8 hours because of Namkania war. I was run them people to mobile Bema, mobile team Namkania and Bono. Now, filling stations before that me recruit 2 more.
Can I come? Let me come in. Liberty. You are running a 24-hour. Come here. How can I run it shift? I don't know 24-hour economy. Have you run into the police? It is not
where was some Ghana for?
Please.
Me 24 hours.
Yes. Hospitals. Hospitals. I'm here 24-hour economy. Hospitals.
Ghana for money. You can't say Ghana for that. About to opposition. O man no dead o mo ba na so man. 24-hour economy.
I was say yes
Muslim no be vote. E be to man get 3 shit. In a day Kayaso. Kayaso. No crab ba ko pe. The best send this your bank. rhetorics ni dọ̀ọ̀sùn kẹsàn ni dọ̀ọ̀sùn they should get to business but ọmọ wọn yẹ assessment as compared to Yul Akufo-Addo more powerful to MPP 2017 to 2018.
Zito, thank you. Mami fast them from my Rock East Guest House. Omo ewo Ariam Quantum Pono so omo Ebenji Nike Block Factory. From omo 0540536618. Wo dey open be ma ho ho na da open restaurant, open bar. That na edidi anombia. The wonderful one Eche Rock East Guest House. So also your conference hall, na your barbering salon 24/7 your security. Your spacious car park. Rock East Guest House where every day is a great day. We will be a ucha loto. Any team you pay. Adum loto for some countries is see the omaba. Omone mon eba be di jumanti sa also per se. Okokoye omo sub agent dia. Bomodia na fo ni che omo aso ye. Eye na no benada na omone amanfo ehia ye. Sisi am no e kase okwa omo no ebehia. Ewo eye mpomam Opengo fitting shop na so hot man omo fra omo 0244365730 na 0243483633. Ema revise kunlungana e de eye enupano aba edwaso for you to be called the real man. And no eye Mr. Kill. Saranso ena araba bazin esisi ma oba nso tagu na woni be media shema wote ya wono wo de eye araba bazen abuso e wodwaso between 0540906665 and 0545906665. Ken Roses Hotel womo essay womo epe eye chefs womo epe eye cooks waiters and waitresses ewo womo asuye nti wote menkanfo wodi chemo Ken Roses Hotel na uyo bia owo nkrata efa anabodi nkrata fa sa nima mbobosu a ubetumi akọ Ken Roses Hotel ukọ obenya bia ada car park wo ho your restaurant your bar your pizza events catering and occasional packages ahodo nyina to sell food basket to sell birthday packages ye ni nyina e wo hodon frɛ eye Ken Roses e wo 0246117969 na 0270034972 anabai ye ni nkomo e mami ntie osusu kakra na kakra wo no woni me enche womo ede womo de aba won so de ense 05363040720322296342. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Daniel Kasamitio.
Mama tia Zito e bona baso. Na in fact, Kayaso na iro hu. Ya beto aba. Yewura mahama no an kasa se 24 hour economy oba be kirechi. Na ono oba Ghana for na adoma. Senator adwuma mu ye 20 or the 40 beka ho no more na sete bi be ba na jo ahomachi nyina tese adwuma no yempon the license officer sa mu be chire mu kama e ma Ghana for to abamo ya to abama anu na oba e no ka chire se esa 24 hour economy nti enti the light no what the 10% aye light bill 10% or the buy and Chevia was it no so can you the begin sunti enti what the say you love we be to petrol so and na petrol galamba kubia one liter no o better one enti galam no that is a 4 cities ya share 24 hour economy no Kayaso ya lante enfiyehu enu nti na ma Ghana for ko to abama yewura mahama enne omo de ko agri sector omo de ko market na Kayaso what that me mama to abama o 24 hour economy juma bebuso enne agri sector e dia na ekwe no wa najo enti na efi to abama alaji bawumia onu de okawaye enda wuti ufi o hati so la
you Daniel ma me na wase anope ene o de hello manager tio hello okay ma me mfa we wa ha hello good morning
Kayaso
eti say
the pachenya mi adum na so
you are better than me too
wa kula better than Savitano so kada fu na continue anope wa boju mama me chia Dr. Mamadu Bawumia na me chia Adeakyea Abia na me chia papa Zito wa boy juma Kayaso in some beautiful car ya Ghana for sure so to abamo omono enye no eno mu dimika se omu kwesi asansu market
24-hour economy. Some of them say 24-hour economy and the market is here. I said with the cancer, whether for a new Kodama or Molaki, Swati, like the from 24-hour economy. No, Nana, the doctor who saw the minute back, Dr. Mamadu Bomia, 1 year term, now problem in Tata Sumbia, PSC Ba, Ewo, secondary school, Ewo, ASANTE, Prempemo. Near Sophia, Nikita Pewe, near school Biwo, Kumafia, 1 year single number, Nintimo, but a neck, some said the problem in a craniba, Echo School Bako. When policy, 9 people for you, and this is for the 24-hour economy, Galam Sense, and Ajebu, now food Diana, Nipana no good Diana, who says you are.
All right, I thank you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Mbacha udini wa semwe. Osman Kasamitio.
Amenda wa na metia wa tie bonina. Na epic zonti oga zuka sana. Nje mamwe. Na ebi enti enyo mote. Otena ni wo memo sana. Aka dan ya utrediho.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Asemo.
Obo ba mi kasa tuka je ko ma samuano.
Mayentio.
Yo. Mitia. MPP ni no na tama ko mitia no.
Pacho Zito na waha mamintio kasa.
Mitia tamafu. Onu. Mitia o ma na yesi emu adwene mu nyu sayu. Yo ho ni se oto ade a yento. Na o hwe MPP tama na o ma ni mu bin oto ade na yeto. Ana o hwe o ma no so a ba bi akwakodu. NDC promises say omo ebe bo man no omo ni omo bo hye no eso na Ghana fo ehu say omo di omo bo hye no so because bo hye omo hye bia ni ho a omo baaye no ni say omo idea ebi.
All right, may I say hello, good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
Me baje udini wasem. Kwame Kazamitio.
Na wasi ni mapa obo mpanga. Ni pa kwenye wosinchia Commander Zito. Ni mapa obo ni NDC for akufia o mu check na for the bia kan ya na mu check. Oji na mse NDC for the day o mba le di so o mu ni nkwanse asindi o mba kama Ghana for o mu se di o mu kan ya to abama o maju wo so mba be you. Na so mu go mo mu kan ko ni ti o wa mu si o kan o de ni mo mu no kre ye be se o mu de mu kan ni so mu nya ho o mu nya ye hu re di so mbe ya o mu de o mu nya mu ma o ma no manga ta ma ni man ni side o si na me se ye si e boda ma ni di tiki ni ko MPP ya se kasa ko pe ni ya o ni te bi ya o fi asansi. The papa no meeting interview and make am. Then the ana so ba program so na or criticize Mahmoud Bawumia program or criticize the program no way for they can only second time never say nipa no work can see no Mahmoud Bawumia kwa no reason so o kan sindia no catch Mahmoud Bawumia or can no catch Mahmoud Bawumia e ko bi di CDB Ghana kwadi o ma ba the whole Ghana upon now, man and Chaco, but yeah, I feel say Abano, you bow me black sample.
All right, but that's it. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Me baje udini wasem.
Yes, can you Musa awafu? I to see bebre.
All right, Musa Kasamitio.
Kayaso na mincha na memo abaso. Na mincha ni nya apewe. Honorable MC so achia papa o ko ti bente afo. Zito me chia. Yasusu ha wani na baby no me kono ekoyie no kwe na wonka ha o ka se dollar ba from enso normal agwa eden o ka mo ni anwa hwe omo time o Kayaso na condemn na koko akuyafo ni aton say 75 cedis and 35 e be 30 wow e be say Kayaso so atuna ono ke ka sansem na omo time na was ni aton say na million and obeton be 70 million and me koko kuyani na mati koko be 5 basa mi to around was ni bi ni adi omo time o si dan bizanta around was what on say media and no ma ekoye nguko nkekenketu a omo kan ya sasa ya dey omo chise eba and onim so be bia omo bobo no na ya mi aduma na ma dibi
All right, thank you. Hello, good morning.
Kayaso.
Yes, sir.
From Ojugu. Fiancé Abontina Midnight.
Ojugu Yankasa.
Na mentia Zito, mentia ni anmo, mentia Alaji Bawumia, mentia Bechem so. Mini Kayaso. Mini no kasa I say every time me to friends ejuma the other door you know. Catch what they say, Obwa. They told of 40 city. MPP tab. And this is the good bossa. Minia. Ye cano and this is wrong. Say ye naga say. And this is a case so one say for man. Minia Kayaso Adeakyea. On when you say I didn't know cano and you look right. There's what come and you cry a pet. Say, Omo Bamusi, 24 hour economy, ya bongo toma, ya wu bibia. Minia. Emranti so sorry abu. No mu di mirika koto aba ema wo we ene hwe ya wa ye ne mu sisi ya ene akuafo bre ene adwumayfo bre mini Kayaso ukura baabi a wotie sisi se okuani anase bibia nkoso ewo omenwe mu a so to ya friend say edita li a wo ho dawro so nya ho ne wa enti ebe ka obi a ene ya tu egalasa ma MP ni na ya charity so dai ene and the minister, individual flying this FM, everyone who they will say, 2 grams. Yes, Messi or my wing. And now, so for you, I did. One way, Cassay, not down for person, name what they can was them, and that's a and that's school in your culture. Ah, Inia, one cannot be anti this. One can say you cannot be anti this, and you know, your chapel now, so I think you're quite to meet more school.
Medase nyame enshira ene won so wadwenche ma menko manager tio hello tio
so brother
nkasa
good morning me chia wa tie for me Brazil to ni me na pewe in fact ma me mo zito abaso because we can throw our team yin na yet Ghana ha na potty farmers a potty farm egu that time na Zito to radio to one kasa yin net Ghana ha na petrol Zito oba parking the car on ho no afọ back concrete enne nyame ya adoma ama me Zito otimi sere okwa na aka mtale me ko one other boss ya me ko nyema e ko su nyina ade wo nyina no enne ofe me sere no o de wo hwe na mamuna mahama aba obo no ompa kontinepie emani ma radio so be tro emani be ma radio so na sama na ho de nsa obia wo koko na wo koko etiwo na ye nto e fabra koko ye wo bia obi koko kwa be nyotika ni mo koko fo etiket yeti ya na mafani na feme asa makokali osika die fato so enti why not ni koko yento Zito jira wan mo ding bo kasa wa hwe kwa ba bi dia firi to aba sabi enti mi Zito wo mama hama ho nkomo o mana sundwe na mahama mu mani na sa wifuo ne wesi no wifuo enya ne pa Ghana mahama person bia ma Ghana wo emani disturb Ghana for crowd do chini aduma ko dia kan sa no emayen Apewenso onye na adwuma
Medase hello good morning
morning
me ba jo din WhatsApp Easy Fukasa.
I need to say, I know the cuckoo question in Tioga. So I know we never be ordinary, but confirm appearance in Najiko Potia or better Tianica. You go for Tia or better Tianica and John Famra. Or but your one and tower Famra and I had his store. No, I can't say anything. Doctor, there is or more than my contract, I buy a fee. Only some contract, the more be a fee. Abraham mobile finish nothing yabra almost ye. Only say, you may be car or be bow at also there. The president visit you. Only say, you may or be back yet was money. I won't go yabra by an answer. As I know more clinic and more doctors, and you know, maybe because then this is for us more abra. And you blame Quemonana, and they have a cover. Omuba, I feel Beba, no Maba was.
All right.
You knew ready about the city and the Amu.
Medase, Yamisha. Tascoli.
Hello, Commander Kaputa.
Mamintio.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Napocho, what is
Adam.
The radio. I know, pray, it's Yemin Capella. Now, make you food now. Now, make any. Which is it bad like Sebella Buffalo into the you know what MPP are blessed for a new and no fire still yet they did before after home. So I never work for I say MPP are done. But you can't connect. I took quite a bit of say when they are close to 1 day. Just last year, I had 300 gas market, 250 gas market, with 200 box. Zito, that is crack. Then I had the now they are one to say, so much as much as I can get you move and take a fee. So you are taking Sequoia, the who, including so in terms of
all right, Tascoli, thank you. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Kayaso.
Yes, sir.
Kayaso, Mamincha one of paying, Namincha Panama, Count Vito, and Clementa parent. Na Amenka said, Don't na me Ebenizayami, could just go to my family. Na me MPP papa adia ho yama ye nya to papa se waka ye se ya saba ye ti na wako du ba bi odun a ye ti pa yankopon kan na me so you need to na babu ni bi ogan ha oni aduma ya na dito ba katam se dadi because samia wuku former LA boss o kata te ya to ba no MPP a o mo ko kanipa afi amanane ama o ma ba ye aduma ogan anti mi didi te gana ha amabu ni babun bi on ma oni aduma ye ana me ba the entity to the umbrella son. Why now what Ghana on admire? Obia or Ghana was not my because not a big yes. The yes come on for Framanama or Mabba Yadmoana, Ghana Bruben on that. Into Mr. Mamuda, some say Baburin Yadmaya and yet your name from Bruno Messe. Upon what I said, 8 million Sanka, 8 years, Lanka, MPP or my and the Rada. And then I've been a little thing.
Medasi, Emma Obumfu, Mr. Zito, the ordinary child, Obeshi Obufu. Why, Mr. First, here, I am far off for your better for the Nasi. Yeah, Brasso, yeah, sorry. Zito,
Defenders Association. Kayaso, no clear back up. Say, Abanye BB, no Mamunu, Faso Bar. You can't want some. Your mind yet, teacher. MPP, a responsible opposition party. Unlike the NDC or more Baby or more opposition, Abanye Cry BBA, no Makatakatamon, one canon. Maybe I may see fuel above from you for a Bemu, no 14.5, and okay. But and yet, no, and the economy, no, a ye. And we didn't know my baby or why, and then you intimate Tower Mountain so. No cry back up. My car Lipton 12 cities, and then Lipton 20 cities. Lipton one boss 20 cities, and I mark 1 2 in the board. This is a dollar above from, no inflation above from, no petrol above from the identity and reflective of drama and so. All right. And the Timomino no could be in the shop, not to one. Yen ton idea.
ene banchi kura yen to banchi yen to ma cassava situation for kura esi amon de na buru mom he Kayaso ye be siraw
all right
we en centronia uni government WhatsApp platform su bi o de on ka ho
government
say wati platform a modern central for Ghana ha omudi omo nyina ko gusu a Samsung ko object su kura ka ono na ka no o ka no kasa video so my body Samsung ayene na o join news a oye news fa ono akasa testi bi o say NDC abaya creating central for platform all right and I'm say Kayaso you are but it is a baba na mo ka say mo na aba from na na me srew that statement was disputed aba from say na isu e boto sa mo ni bi that statement was disputed
na de wie na me nko
Minia Kayaso ye she Ghana for bo ye ka che Ghana for so mo fa 2 million she yensa ne e be ye adwuma ne asomo mo emeso mpa aba o mo nto enne Ghana for minu mienu de propaganda ye betra ha ye be kan ye de awi ye betra ha ye be kan ye de awi na the living witness no Ghana for nema bo aba so from petro enkoko bo emu bo nema bo aba from Ghana
from 2023
Nina no Ghana for a living testimony.
Me does it to us. Me the ABC here commanders it to buy for the MPP, appeal buy for the NDC. Me the affair for near chief in answer. I don't do me out now. You be the share. I said, I would have a wonderful day. Bye bye.
Say whoop remedial school papa bi akwa ene kame ho na me fa wonko APS remedial school here fully registered ubenya baby papa atena achia wade ya ho kire bia animu omo qualified and experienced teachers ya omo kira de e wo ho e ho de wo kwa wo betwa wo exams no one time ene omo ya admission for May June 2026 academic year na ho de quality tuition e guaranteed programs here omo ye ni bi general arts, business, general science, home economics, and a general agric. Now, omoya classes no weekdays and half weekends. Omo accommodations so wa. Ubenya baby atna na wasuya wadi. Nebu wasu nyade kra. Ubehunu Apex Remedial School. Ewa sekiyoso. Fe omo wa homa true for iso 0242130768 ana 0549298369. Apex Remedial School. Empowering minds. Achieving excellence.